Owls have captivated humans for centuries. Their nocturnal nature, haunting calls, and enigmatic gaze inspire awe and mystery. Found across the globe, these birds of prey are masters of their domain. Owls play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Their presence is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Since ancient times, owls have held a prominent place in folklore and mythology. Often associated with wisdom, they are also seen as harbingers of change. From the depths of forests to the heart of our cities, owls continue to fascinate us. Their ghostly presence reminds us of the wonders that the natural world holds. Owls possess a suite of adaptations that make them exceptional predators. These nocturnal birds of prey have evolved over millions of years to become some of the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom. Their most striking feature is their forward-facing eyes, providing binocular vision for exceptional depth perception. This unique eye placement allows them to judge distances accurately, a crucial skill when hunting in the dark. This allows for precise targeting of prey in low-light conditions. Owls are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during twilight hours, when their vision gives them a significant advantage over other predators. Their eyes are large, capturing maximum light, and immobile within their sockets. Unlike human eyes, which can move within their orbits, owl eyes are fixed in place, necessitating other adaptations for a wide field of view. To compensate, owls have evolved an extraordinary range of head motion. This flexibility is due to their unique skeletal structure, which includes 14 neck vertebrae, twice as many as humans. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them a wide field of view. This ability ensures they can keep a vigilant watch over their surroundings without moving their bodies and alerting potential prey. Adding to their hunting prowess are their ears, positioned asymmetrically on the head. This asymmetry allows them to detect the direction and distance of sounds with incredible precision. This unique placement allows owls to pinpoint the location of prey with astonishing accuracy. Each ear captures sound at slightly different times and intensities, enabling the owl to create a three-dimensional auditory map of its environment. The slightest rustle or squeak is detected and triangulated, giving the owl a distinct advantage in the darkness. This acute hearing is essential for locating prey hidden under foliage or snow. Further enhancing their stealth is their specialized plumage. Owl feathers are not only designed for warmth and protection, but also for silent flight. Owl feathers are incredibly soft and have fringed edges, muffling the sound of air passing over them. This adaptation reduces noise, allowing owls to fly silently and surprise their prey. This adaptation enables near-silent flight, allowing them to approach prey undetected. Combined with their exceptional vision and hearing, this makes owls some of the most formidable nocturnal hunters in the animal world. Owls are primarily nocturnal creatures, meaning they are most active at night. This nocturnal lifestyle is a fascinating adaptation that allows them to thrive in the darkness. This behavior allows them to exploit a niche with less competition from diurnal raptors. While other birds rest, owls take advantage of the quiet night to hunt. Under the cover of darkness, they become stealthy predators, utilizing their exceptional hearing and vision to locate prey. Their eyes are specially adapted to see in low light, and their ears can detect the faintest sounds. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals like rodents, shrews, and voles. These creatures are abundant and provide a reliable food source for the owls. They also hunt insects, reptiles, and even fish, depending on the species and availability. This diverse diet helps them survive in various habitats, from forests to grasslands to wetlands. Owls swallow their prey whole or in large pieces, unable to digest bones, fur, and teeth. This unique feeding method allows them to consume their catch quickly and efficiently. These indigestible parts are compacted into a pellet that the owl regurgitates several hours after feeding. The process of forming and expelling pellets is crucial for their digestive health. These pellets, often found near roosting sites, provide valuable insights for scientists studying owl diets and local ecosystems. By analyzing the contents of the pellets, researchers can learn about the prey species in the area and the health of the ecosystem. The pellets can be dissected to identify the types of prey consumed, offering a glimpse into the food web of the area. This information is essential for understanding the role of owls in their environment and how they interact with other species. Over 200 owl species inhabit diverse habitats across the globe, each with unique adaptations and characteristics. From the dense forests of the Amazon to the icy tundras of the Arctic, owls have found ways to thrive in almost every environment. Their remarkable diversity is a testament to their evolutionary success and adaptability. The barn owl, with its heart-shaped face and ghostly appearance, is a familiar sight in many parts of the world. Known for its silent flight and eerie screech, the barn owl is a master of nocturnal hunting. Its exceptional hearing allows it to locate prey even in complete darkness, making it one of the most efficient predators in the animal kingdom. These owls are highly adaptable and thrive in open habitats like barns, fields, and meadows. They often nest in old buildings and tree cavities, taking advantage of human-altered landscapes. Their diet mainly consists of small mammals, which they hunt with precision and stealth. The great horned owl, North America's most widespread owl, is easily recognizable by its prominent ear tufts. These tufts, which are not actually ears but feather extensions, give the owl a distinctive and somewhat intimidating appearance. The great horned owl is known for its deep hooting call, which can be heard echoing through forests and woodlands. As a powerful predator, it sits atop the food chain in its ecosystem, hunting prey as large as rabbits and skunks. Its strong talons and beak make it a formidable hunter, capable of taking down animals much larger than itself. The great horned owl's diet is diverse, including birds, reptiles, and even other owls. The snowy owl, an iconic Arctic resident, sports striking white plumage that provides camouflage in snowy landscapes. This adaptation is crucial for both hunting and avoiding predators. The snowy owl's large size and powerful build enable it to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. These owls are known for their long-distance migrations, traveling thousands of miles in search of food. During the winter months, they may move southward to find more abundant prey. Their diet primarily consists of lemmings and other small mammals, which they hunt with incredible precision. At the other end of the size spectrum is the diminutive elf owl, residing in the southwestern United States and Mexico. Despite its small size, the elf owl is a fierce hunter, preying on insects and small vertebrates. Its ability to thrive in arid desert environments showcases the incredible adaptability of owls. These tiny owls, no larger than a sparrow, nest in cavities excavated by woodpeckers and primarily feed on insects. Their small size allows them to exploit niches that larger owls cannot, making them an important part of the ecosystem. The elf owl's nocturnal habits and elusive nature make it a rare but fascinating sight for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Owls occupy a significant place in the cultural narratives of various societies around the world. In many cultures, they are revered as symbols of wisdom and knowledge, often associated with magic and mysticism. Ancient Greek mythology portrays the owl as the companion of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, further solidifying its association with intelligence. In some Native American cultures, owls are seen as protectors and spiritual guides, their presence considered a good omen. However, not all cultural interpretations are positive. In some parts of the world, owls are viewed as harbingers of death or misfortune. Their nocturnal habits and haunting calls have led to superstitions and fears, associating them with the supernatural and the unknown. These contrasting perceptions highlight the complex relationship between humans and owls throughout history. Despite their adaptability and resilience, many owl species face growing threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion is a major concern. As forests shrink and natural landscapes are altered, owls lose their nesting sites and hunting grounds. The use of pesticides and rodenticides also poses a significant threat. Owls consuming poisoned rodents accumulate toxins in their bodies, leading to secondary poisoning and death. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges, impacting prey availability and altering owl habitats. Collisions with vehicles, entanglement in fences, and electrocution from power lines are additional threats, particularly for larger owl species. Protecting owls and ensuring their survival requires a multifaceted approach. Conserving existing forests and restoring degraded habitats is crucial. Implementing sustainable land management practices that minimize habitat fragmentation is essential. Reducing the use of pesticides and promoting integrated pest management strategies can mitigate the risk of poisoning. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in dispelling myths and promoting appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Educating communities about the ecological importance of owls and the threats they face can foster a sense of responsibility towards their conservation. Supporting research and monitoring programs provides valuable data to inform conservation efforts. By understanding the challenges owls face, we can implement effective strategies to protect these silent guardians of the night and ensure their continued presence in our world. Grasshoppers are fascinating insects found worldwide. These remarkable creatures have captured the interest of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. They belong to the order Orthoptera and the family Acrididae. This classification places them among some of the most diverse and adaptable insects on the planet. These jumping marvels are known for their powerful hind legs and their characteristic chirping sounds. The chirping, produced by rubbing their hind legs against their wings, serves as a means of communication, especially during mating seasons. Grasshoppers inhabit a wide range of habitats, from grasslands and meadows to forests and deserts. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse environments, making them a common sight in many parts of the world. They are an integral part of many ecosystems, playing important roles as herbivores and prey animals. By feeding on plants, they help control vegetation growth, and as prey, they provide essential nutrients to a variety of predators. Their life cycle and behaviors are intriguing examples of adaptation and survival in the natural world. From egg to nymph to adult, each stage of their development showcases their remarkable ability to blend into their surroundings and evade predators. Their presence in our environment sparks curiosity and wonder. Observing grasshoppers can be a delightful and educational experience, especially for children who are just beginning to explore the wonders of nature. From their incredible jumping abilities to their vital roles in the food chain, grasshoppers offer a glimpse into the intricate workings of nature. Their powerful legs can propel them great distances, a testament to their evolutionary success. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of grasshoppers, exploring their biology, behavior, and their impact on our world. Through this journey, we will uncover the secrets of these extraordinary insects and gain a deeper appreciation for their place in the natural order. Grasshoppers possess a distinct body structure that sets them apart from many other insects. Their unique anatomy allows them to thrive in various environments and evade predators effectively. Their bodies are divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Each segment plays a crucial role in their survival and functionality. A hard exoskeleton protects their body, providing both structural support and defense against predators and environmental hazards. They have two pairs of wings, with the forewings being leathery and the hind wings being membranous and used for flight. These wings not only aid in mobility, but also play a role in their mating displays and territorial behaviors. Their most striking feature is their long, powerful hind legs, which enable them to jump incredible distances. These legs are equipped with strong muscles and specialized joints that store energy, allowing for sudden and powerful leaps. Camouflage is crucial for grasshoppers to avoid predators. By blending into their surroundings, they can remain undetected and increase their chances of survival. Many species have evolved colors and patterns that blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This natural disguise helps them evade birds, reptiles, and other predators that rely on sight to hunt. Some grasshoppers even resemble leaves or twigs, making them practically invisible to unsuspecting predators. This mimicry is a result of millions of years of evolutionary adaptation. This remarkable adaptation highlights the evolutionary pressures that have shaped these insects over millions of years. Grasshoppers have developed a range of survival strategies, from their powerful legs to their intricate camouflage, ensuring their continued existence in diverse habitats. Grasshoppers are herbivores, primarily feeding on plants. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and stems. They use their strong mouth parts to cut and chew their food. While their herbivorous nature benefits ecosystems, it can also pose challenges for agriculture. Large swarms of grasshoppers can decimate crops, leading to significant economic losses. This is particularly true in regions where certain species, known as locusts, exhibit swarming behavior. Locust swarms can devastate entire agricultural fields, posing a serious threat to food security. Grasshoppers undergo an incomplete metamorphosis, meaning they don't have a larval stage like butterflies or moths. Instead, they transition directly from nymph to adult without a pupal stage. This process is fascinating and unique to certain insects. Their life cycle consists of 3 main stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Each stage plays a crucial role in the development of the grasshopper, ensuring its survival and reproduction. Females lay their eggs in the soil, often in clusters. These clusters can contain dozens of eggs, providing a higher chance of survival for the offspring. The eggs hatch into nymphs, which resemble miniature versions of adults, but lack wings. These nymphs are highly active and begin feeding immediately to fuel their growth. Nymphs go through a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons as they grow. Each molt allows them to increase in size and develop more complex features. With each molt, they develop more adult-like features, including wings. The development of wings is crucial for their mobility and ability to escape predators. The time it takes for a grasshopper to reach adulthood varies depending on the species and environmental factors. Temperature, humidity, and food availability can all influence the speed of their development, making each grasshopper's journey to adulthood unique. The circle of life grasshoppers in the food chain and ecosystem. Grasshoppers play a crucial role in the food chain as both prey and predator. They are a vital food source for various animals, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. Their abundance provides sustenance for countless predators, making them an essential part of the ecosystem's energy flow. Their feeding habits also contribute to plant population control. By consuming plants, grasshoppers help regulate plant growth and prevent any one species from dominating an area. This balance is essential for maintaining biodiversity within ecosystems. Balancing act grasshoppers as pests and beneficial insects. Grasshoppers embody the delicate balance between being agricultural pests and valuable contributors to ecosystems. While their feeding habits can harm crops, their presence also offers ecological benefits. Their role in the food chain, plant population control, and nutrient cycling cannot be understated. Understanding this duality is crucial for developing sustainable management strategies. Eradicating grasshoppers entirely would disrupt ecosystems, while uncontrolled populations could lead to agricultural devastation. Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, offers a balanced approach to managing grasshopper populations in agricultural settings. It's all about minimizing crop damage, while also minimizing the environmental impact. This approach involves monitoring grasshopper populations, using cultural practices to deter them, and employing biological controls when necessary. Cultural practices include crop rotation, planting resistant varieties, and maintaining field borders to provide habitats for natural predators. Biological controls involve introducing or encouraging natural enemies of grasshoppers, such as parasitic wasps or fungal pathogens. While some grasshopper species are considered pests, many others face threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Protecting grasshopper diversity is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Conservation efforts include preserving grasslands and other natural habitats. Reducing pesticide use in and around grasshopper habitats is crucial for their survival. Public education and outreach programs can raise awareness about the importance of grasshoppers and promote their conservation. Grasshoppers, like many insects, face an uncertain future. Climate change, habitat loss, and pesticide use pose significant challenges to their survival. However, ongoing research and conservation efforts offer hope for their protection. Understanding how grasshoppers adapt to changing environments and developing sustainable management practices will be crucial for ensuring their continued existence. By appreciating their ecological roles and addressing the threats they face, we can help secure the future of these fascinating creatures. Grasshoppers, with their remarkable jumping abilities and intricate life cycles, are an integral part of our natural world. They are both fascinating creatures to observe and vital components of ecosystems. While their role as agricultural pests can pose challenges, their ecological benefits are undeniable. By understanding their biology, behavior, and ecological importance, we can develop balanced approaches to managing their populations and ensuring their conservation. Appreciating the grasshopper's place in our world is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems and fostering a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things.
The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, is a bird instantly recognizable for its breathtaking beauty. Its iridescent feathers shimmer in the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing display of colors that range from deep blues and greens to vibrant golds and purples. This avian marvel is not just a feast for the eyes, it is a symbol of elegance and splendor. The peacock's elaborate tail feathers, known as a train, can span up to 6 feet in length and are adorned with eye-catching eye spot patterns that have fascinated humans for centuries. Its vibrant plumage and elegant bearing have captivated hearts and minds across the globe for centuries. The peacock's courtship display, where it fans out its tail feathers to attract a mate, is one of nature's most spectacular performances. This ritual not only showcases the bird's beauty but also its strength and vitality. Native to the Indian subcontinent, the peacock has become a symbol of grace, pride, and immortality in various cultures. In India, it is the national bird and holds a special place in the hearts of the people. The peacock is often associated with deities and royalty, symbolizing divine protection and regal power. Its presence in folklore, mythology, and art speaks volumes about its enduring allure. Ancient texts and stories often depict the peacock as a creature of great wisdom and beauty. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is the Mount of Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, and is also associated with Lord Krishna, who is often depicted wearing a peacock feather in his crown. From the lush forests of India to the manicured gardens of stately homes, the peacock continues to enchant and inspire awe. Its adaptability has allowed it to thrive in various environments, from dense jungles to urban parks, making it a beloved sight in many parts of the world. The peacock's striking appearance has made it a popular subject in art, literature, and folklore. Artists and writers have long been inspired by its beauty, creating masterpieces that capture its essence. From ancient manuscripts to modern paintings, the peacock's image has been immortalized in countless works of art. Its image adorns temples, palaces, and textiles, reflecting its cultural significance. In many cultures, peacock feathers are considered auspicious and are used in various rituals and ceremonies. The intricate designs of peacock motifs on traditional textiles showcase the bird's influence on fashion and craftsmanship. The peacock's captivating presence extends beyond its native range, captivating audiences in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries worldwide. These majestic birds are often the star attractions, drawing visitors with their dazzling displays and graceful movements. Its ability to evoke wonder and admiration transcends geographical boundaries, solidifying its status as a global icon of beauty and grandeur. Whether in the wild or in captivity, the peacock continues to be a source of inspiration and joy for people of all ages. Its timeless charm and majestic presence ensure that it will remain a beloved symbol of natural beauty for generations to come. The male peacock is renowned for its extravagant plumage, a mesmerizing tapestry of iridescent blues, greens, and golds. These colors are not just for show. They are a result of microscopic structures that reflect light in a way that creates this dazzling effect. The interplay of light and color is a marvel of natural engineering, captivating anyone who lays eyes on it. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly its train, often mistakenly referred to as its tail. This train can span over 5 feet in length, making it one of the most impressive displays in the animal kingdom. When fully fanned out, it forms a semicircle that can be as wide as the bird is tall, creating a visual spectacle that is hard to ignore. This elaborate train, comprising elongated upper tail coverts, is a masterpiece of natural artistry. Each feather is meticulously arranged to create a harmonious pattern that is both intricate and grand. The feathers are not just randomly placed, they follow a specific order that enhances the overall visual impact. Each feather is adorned with an iridescent eye, a mesmerizing pattern of concentric circles that shimmers under the sunlight. These eyes are not just for decoration, they play a crucial role in the peacock's courtship rituals. The shimmering effect is due to the microscopic structure of the feathers, which refracts light in multiple directions, creating a dynamic display of color. The male peacock's vibrant colors and intricate patterns serve a crucial purpose, attracting a mate. The more vibrant and symmetrical the display, the more likely it is to catch the eye of a potential mate. This is a form of sexual selection, where the most visually appealing males are more likely to reproduce. During the breeding season, the male raises and fans out its train, creating a breathtaking spectacle of color and movement. This display is not just about showing off, it is a complex dance that involves precise movements and timing. The peacock will often shake its feathers to create a rustling sound, adding an auditory element to the visual display. This elaborate display, accompanied by a series of calls and struts, is designed to captivate the attention of potential mates. The calls are loud and can be heard from a considerable distance, serving as an auditory beacon to attract females. The strutting involves a series of coordinated movements that highlight the peacock's physical fitness and agility. The size, vibrancy, and symmetry of the train are all indicators of the male's genetic fitness, influencing the female's choice. A larger, more vibrant train suggests that the male is healthy and has good genes, making him a more desirable mate. This is nature's way of ensuring that only the fittest individuals pass on their genes to the next generation. Beyond their role in courtship, peacocks also use their plumage for other purposes. The eye spots on the feathers can serve as a form of intimidation against predators, making the peacock appear larger and more threatening. In their natural habitat, peacocks are social animals, often seen interacting with other birds and animals, adding another layer of complexity to their behavior. Young peacocks, or peafowl, do not develop their full plumage until they are about 3 years old. During this time, they learn the intricate dance and calls from older males, ensuring that the tradition of this spectacular display is passed down through generations. The development of their plumage is a gradual process, with each feather growing in size and complexity over time. Even in adverse weather conditions, the peacock's plumage remains a sight to behold. Rainwater can enhance the iridescence of the feathers, creating a shimmering effect that is even more pronounced. This resilience adds to the peacock's allure, making it one of nature's most fascinating creatures. As the sun sets, the peacock's display takes on a different hue, with the fading light casting a golden glow on its feathers. This transition from day to night adds a poetic touch to the peacock's already mesmerizing display, making it a true symphony of color and movement. In contrast to the male's flamboyant attire, the female peafowl, known as a peahen, exhibits a more subdued elegance. While the male peacock is often celebrated for his vibrant and eye-catching plumage, the peahen's beauty lies in her subtlety and grace. Her appearance may not be as immediately striking, but it serves a vital purpose in the wild. Her plumage, predominantly brown and gray, provides excellent camouflage, crucial for protecting herself and her young from predators. This natural coloration allows her to blend seamlessly into her surroundings, making it difficult for potential threats to spot her. When she is nesting or caring for her chicks, this camouflage becomes even more essential, as it helps ensure the safety and survival of her offspring. While lacking the male's iridescent train, the peahen possesses a delicate beauty. Her feathers, though not as colorful, have a soft and understated charm. The intricate patterns and subtle hues of her plumage are a testament to nature's artistry, showcasing a different kind of beauty that is no less captivating. Her neck feathers are adorned with iridescent green and blue hues, and her crest, a crown of feathers atop her head, adds a touch of regality. This small but striking feature gives her an air of dignity and grace, highlighting her unique beauty. The iridescence of her neck feathers catches the light in a way that is both subtle and mesmerizing, adding to her overall allure. The peahen's less conspicuous appearance reflects her primary role as a caregiver. Unlike the male, who uses his bright plumage to attract mates, the peahen's subdued colors are perfectly suited for her role in nurturing and protecting her young. Her dedication to her chicks is evident in her every action, from the way she carefully tends to her nest to the vigilant watch she keeps over her brood. Her coloration allows her to blend seamlessly into the undergrowth, providing vital protection for her eggs and chicks. This ability to remain hidden is crucial for the survival of her young, as it helps shield them from predators. The peahen's instinct to protect her offspring is a powerful force, driving her to use every advantage nature has given her to ensure their safety. While the male's vibrant colors attract mates, the female's subdued hues prioritize survival, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. This balance between attraction and protection is a fascinating aspect of their species, highlighting the different but equally important roles that males and females play in the animal kingdom. The peahen's ability to blend in and protect her young is just as vital to the species' success as the peacock's ability to attract a mate. This remarkable adaptation highlights the diverse roles played by males and females in the animal kingdom, each contributing to the species' overall success. The peahen's subtle beauty and maternal grace are a perfect complement to the peacock's flamboyant display, creating a harmonious balance that ensures the survival and prosperity of their species. Through their unique adaptations, both the peahen and the peacock demonstrate the incredible diversity and complexity of nature, reminding us of the many ways in which life can thrive and flourish. As the breeding season commences, the male peacock transforms into a captivating performer. He selects a prominent location within his territory and begins his elaborate courtship display. With a flourish, he raises his magnificent train, creating a shimmering wall of iridescent feathers. The train, fully extended, can reach up to 6 feet in length, dwarfing the peacock's actual body size. The male's performance extends beyond simply showcasing his plumage. He accompanies his visual display with a series of calls, ranging from soft whistles to loud, resonant cries. He struts back and forth, shaking his feathers and creating a rustling sound that further enhances his performance. This intricate dance, a testament to the power of sexual selection, is designed to captivate the female's attention and persuade her to choose him as a mate.
Imagine a creature with dozens of legs, gliding swiftly through the undergrowth, navigating the complex terrain with ease. This is the centipede, an arthropod that has fascinated and intimidated humans for centuries. With their elongated bodies and numerous legs, they are a marvel of nature's design. Their name, meaning 100 legs, is a bit of a misnomer. In reality, the number of legs can range from under 20 to over 300, depending on the species. While they can have many legs, the number varies greatly between species, and no known centipede possesses exactly 100 legs. This diversity in leg count is just one of the many fascinating aspects of these creatures. Each leg is a marvel of engineering, allowing the centipede to move with incredible speed and agility. Their segmented bodies and jointed legs work in perfect harmony. Centipedes are found in a variety of habitats around the world, from the humid rainforests to your own backyard. They have adapted to survive in diverse environments, showcasing their incredible resilience. They are primarily nocturnal hunters, emerging from their hiding places under logs and rocks to seek out prey. Their nocturnal nature helps them avoid many predators. Emerging from their hiding places under logs and rocks to seek out prey, they use their speed and venomous claws to capture and subdue their victims. Despite their fearsome appearance, centipedes play an important role in their ecosystems. They are effective predators, helping to control populations of insects and other invertebrates. They help to control populations of insects and other invertebrates, maintaining a balance in the ecosystem. Without them, insect populations could grow unchecked, leading to potential ecological imbalances. Their presence is a sign of a healthy and balanced environment. A thriving centipede population indicates a well-functioning ecosystem with a variety of life forms. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of centipedes, exploring their anatomy, behavior, and ecological importance. Discover how these incredible creatures contribute to the balance of nature and the intricate web of life. Centipedes are characterized by their elongated, flattened bodies, divided into numerous segments. These segments give the centipede its distinctive appearance and contribute to its flexibility and mobility. Each segment is a crucial part of the centipede's anatomy, allowing it to navigate through various terrains with ease. Each segment bears a single pair of legs, an adaptation that allows for their remarkable agility and speed. This unique arrangement of legs enables the centipede to move swiftly and efficiently, whether it's climbing over rocks, burrowing through soil, or darting across the forest floor. At the head of the centipede lies a pair of sensitive antennae, constantly probing the environment for information about prey and potential threats. These antennae are highly responsive and play a vital role in the centipede's survival, helping it to detect even the slightest movements in its surroundings. But the most striking feature of the centipede is undoubtedly its forcipules. These specialized appendages are not just for show, they are essential tools for the centipede's predatory lifestyle. These modified legs, located just behind the head, are tipped with sharp claws connected to venom glands. The venom is potent and can immobilize prey almost instantly, making the centipede a formidable hunter. The forcipules are the centipede's primary weapons, used to capture and subdue prey with a venomous strike. In a swift and precise motion, the centipede can deliver a lethal dose of venom, ensuring its meal is secured. Centipedes are remarkably adapted predators, their bodies perfectly designed for a life of hunting in the shadows. Their nocturnal habits and stealthy movements make them efficient and elusive hunters, capable of thriving in a variety of environments. Whether in dense forests, arid deserts, or urban areas, centipedes continue to be one of nature's most fascinating and efficient predators. As darkness descends, the centipedes emerge. They prefer the cool, damp environments beneath rocks, logs, and leaf litter, avoiding the harsh sunlight that could dehydrate them. Their flattened bodies allow them to squeeze into tight spaces, pursuing prey into their burrows and hiding places. Centipedes are carnivorous hunters, and their diet consists mainly of insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Larger species have been known to tackle prey as large as lizards and mice. Using their sensitive antennae to detect vibrations and chemical cues, centipedes stalk their prey with stealthy determination. Once within striking range, they pounce with lightning speed, their forcipules injecting venom that quickly paralyzes their victims. The world of centipedes is incredibly diverse, with over 3,000 species identified so far. These species are classified into 5 main orders, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. The order Scolopendromorpha includes some of the largest and most recognizable centipedes, such as the giant Scolopendra. These centipedes are known for their aggressive nature and potent venom. The order Geophilomorpha, in contrast, consists of slender, burrowing centipedes, with a preference for subterranean life. These centipedes play an important role in soil aeration and decomposition. Other orders, such as Lithobiomorpha and Scutigiromorpha, showcase the remarkable diversity of centipede morphology and ecology. Section 5. The role of centipedes in the ecosystem. Centipedes might seem like intimidating creatures, but they are essential members of their ecosystems. As predators, they help to regulate populations of insects and other invertebrates, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. Their burrowing activities also contribute to soil health, aerating the soil and facilitating the decomposition of organic matter. In turn, centipedes serve as prey for larger animals, such as birds, snakes, and mammals, forming an important link in the food chain. Their presence or absence can be an indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. Section 6. Friend or foe. The venomous nature of centipedes is often a source of fear for humans. These multi-legged creatures, with their swift movements and intimidating appearance, can easily send shivers down anyone's spine. While it's true that centipede venom can be painful, it's rarely fatal to humans. Most bites result in temporary discomfort rather than long-term harm. The venom is a complex cocktail of toxins designed to paralyze and kill invertebrate prey. This makes centipedes effective hunters in their natural habitats, where they play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. In humans, the effects of a centipede bite typically include localized pain, swelling, and redness. These symptoms can last for several hours to a few days, depending on the individual's reaction. More severe reactions can occur, especially in individuals with allergies to insect stings. These allergic reactions can escalate quickly and may require immediate medical intervention. These reactions may include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and difficulty breathing. In rare cases, anaphylactic shock can occur, which is a life-threatening condition. If bitten by a centipede, it's important to clean the wound thoroughly and apply a cold compress to reduce swelling. This initial care can help mitigate the immediate discomfort and prevent infection. Seeking medical attention is always recommended, especially if symptoms worsen or persist. A healthcare professional can provide appropriate treatment and ensure that no complications arise from the bite. Section 7. Centipedes and humans. Centipedes have long captured the human imagination, inspiring both fascination and fear. In some cultures, they are revered as symbols of strength and resilience, while in others, they are seen as omens of bad luck. Despite their fearsome reputation, centipedes rarely pose a significant threat to humans. They are not aggressive animals and will only bite if they feel threatened or provoked. In fact, centipedes can even be beneficial to humans. Their presence in gardens and homes can help to control populations of unwanted pests, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Section 8. Centipedes in folklore and culture. Throughout history, centipedes have been woven into the fabric of human folklore and mythology. In some cultures, they are seen as guardians of the underworld, while in others, they are associated with healing and transformation. In Japan, the giant centipede known as the omukade is a legendary creature said to possess immense strength and magical powers. In African folklore, centipedes are often depicted as wise and cunning tricksters. These cultural representations reflect the complex relationship between humans and centipedes, a mixture of fear, respect, and even admiration. Section 9. Conservation of centipedes. Like many invertebrates, centipedes face growing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. As we continue to alter the planet, it's crucial to consider the impact on these often overlooked creatures. Protecting centipede habitats, reducing pesticide use, and promoting sustainable practices are all essential steps in ensuring their continued survival. By appreciating the vital role centipedes play in our ecosystems, we can work towards a future where humans and centipedes can coexist in harmony. Section 10. Conclusion. Appreciating the centipede. Centipedes, with their many legs and venomous bite, might seem like creatures to be feared, but a closer look reveals fascinating animals that play a vital role in the balance of nature. From their remarkable adaptations to their ecological importance, centipedes deserve our respect and protection. By understanding and appreciating these often misunderstood creatures, we can better appreciate the intricate web of life that connects us all. Next time you encounter a centipede, take a moment to observe its intricate movements and appreciate the wonders of evolution that have shaped this unique and fascinating creature.
Deep in the heart of Mexico, there lives a creature of almost mythical status. This creature has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. The axolotl, a salamander unlike any other, has captivated the world with its extraordinary abilities. Its unique charm and mysterious nature have made it a subject of countless studies and folklore. Found exclusively in the ancient waterways of Lake Xochimilco, this amphibian holds secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of healing and regeneration. The lake itself is a remnant of a vast water system that once covered the Valley of Mexico. Unlike its salamander cousins, the axolotl exhibits neoteny, retaining its larval features throughout its life. This means it remains in a juvenile state even as it matures, a trait that adds to its otherworldly appearance. This includes its most striking characteristic, the feathery external gills that frame its head like a whimsical crown. These gills are not just for show, they are vital for the axolotl's underwater respiration. The axolotl's claim to fame, however, lies in its unparalleled regenerative prowess. This ability has made it a focal point of scientific research, with hopes that it could one day lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. This remarkable creature can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cord sections, even parts of its heart and brain, with astonishing completeness. The process is not only rapid but also incredibly precise, restoring the lost parts to their original functionality. Imagine a world where such healing was possible for humans. The implications are staggering. From treating spinal injuries to regenerating damaged organs, the potential applications are endless. Scientists around the globe are studying the axolotl's regenerative secrets, hoping to unlock the key to tissue repair and regeneration in humans. Their research could pave the way for revolutionary medical treatments. The axolotl's story is not just one of scientific wonder, but also one of survival. Its existence is a testament to the delicate balance of its ecosystem and the resilience of nature. Its existence is intricately linked to the fragile ecosystem of Lake Xochimilco, a network of canals and islands that was once a thriving center of Aztec civilization. The lake's history is as rich and complex as the creature that inhabits it. Today, the axolotl faces an uncertain future, its very existence threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species. Efforts are being made to preserve its habitat, but the challenges are immense. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the axolotl, exploring its unique biology, its cultural significance, and the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing world. We will journey through its past, present, and potential future. We will uncover the secrets behind its regenerative abilities and examine the potential it holds for medical breakthroughs. The axolotl's unique biology could hold the key to unlocking new frontiers in science and medicine. Most importantly, we will discover why this extraordinary creature deserves our attention and protection. Its survival is not just crucial for biodiversity, but also for the invaluable scientific insights it offers. The axolotl's appearance is as captivating as its regenerative abilities. This fascinating creature, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, is not a fish at all but an amphibian, specifically a type of salamander. Resembling a perpetually smiling aquatic dragon, this amphibian displays a unique blend of juvenile and adult features. Its wide, almost cartoonish smile is one of its most endearing traits, making it a favorite among aquarium enthusiasts. Its most distinctive trait is undoubtedly its external gills, 3 feathery branches on each side of its head. These gills are not only functional but also add to the axolotl's otherworldly appearance. These gills, reminiscent of delicate coral, allow the axolotl to breathe underwater, extracting oxygen directly from the water. This adaptation is crucial for its survival in the lakes and canals of Mexico City, its natural habitat. Unlike most salamanders, which undergo metamorphosis to develop lungs and live on land, the axolotl remains in its larval stage throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means it retains its gills and aquatic lifestyle indefinitely. This retention of juvenile characteristics gives the axolotl its perpetually youthful appearance. Its body remains soft and flexible, unlike the more rigid forms of adult salamanders. Its smooth, slimy skin, typically a dark mottled brown or black in the wild, lacks the scales and rough texture of its terrestrial relatives. This skin is highly permeable, allowing for efficient gas exchange and moisture retention. Axolotls possess lidless eyes, giving them a perpetually curious expression. These eyes, while not particularly strong, are well suited for their dimly lit underwater environment. Their wide mouths and small, underdeveloped teeth are adapted for suction feeding, primarily on invertebrates lurking in the lakebed. They can create a powerful vacuum to suck in prey, making them efficient hunters in their aquatic world. Their limbs are short and slender, ending in delicate fingers that lack webbing, reflecting their primarily bottom-dwelling lifestyle. These limbs are also capable of remarkable regeneration, allowing the axolotl to regrow lost appendages with ease. The axolotl's coloration can vary, with wild individuals typically exhibiting a mottled brown or black pattern that provides camouflage in their murky habitat. This natural camouflage helps them avoid predators and blend into their surroundings. However, captive breeding has led to a range of color variations, including leucistic, pale pink with black eyes, which is one of the most popular among pet owners due to its striking appearance. Albino, golden yellow or white with pink eyes. Axolotls are another common variant, their lack of pigmentation making them stand out in any aquarium setting. And melanoid, completely black, forms, which are equally captivating with their deep dark coloration. These color variations, while visually striking, do not occur naturally in the wild. They are the result of selective breeding by enthusiasts who have cultivated these unique traits over generations. The axolotl is endemic to the remnants of Lake Xochimilco in southern Mexico City. Once a vast shallow lake, Xochimilco has been reduced to a network of canals and artificial islands, remnants of the chinampas or floating gardens created by the Aztecs centuries ago. These canals, though significantly altered from their natural state, provide the last remaining refuge for the critically endangered axolotl. Within this complex ecosystem, axolotls prefer the deeper, cooler waters, seeking refuge among the submerged vegetation and muddy bottom. They are primarily nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt for food. Their diet consists mainly of small invertebrates such as worms, insect larvae, crustaceans, and the occasional small fish. Axolotls are relatively solitary creatures interacting primarily during mating season. Courtship involves an elaborate dance of nudges and tail chases, culminating in the male depositing a spermatophore, a packet of sperm, on the lakebed, which the female then picks up with her cloaca. Females lay hundreds of eggs, attaching them to aquatic plants for protection. The axolotl's sedentary lifestyle and limited range make it particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Their dependence on the health of Lake Xochimilco highlights the interconnectedness of species and their habitats. The fate of the axolotl is inextricably linked to the conservation of this unique and threatened ecosystem. The axolotl's ability to regenerate lost body parts borders on the miraculous. This small aquatic creature, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, has fascinated biologists and researchers for years due to its extraordinary regenerative capabilities. Unlike most animals which form scars over wounds, the axolotl can regenerate complex structures with astonishing precision. This means that when an axolotl is injured, it doesn't just heal, it restores the lost part to its original state, as if the injury never occurred. A severed limb, for example, will regrow to its original form and function, complete with bones, muscles, nerves, and even skin patterns. This process is not only rapid but also incredibly accurate, ensuring that the new limb is fully functional and indistinguishable from the original. This remarkable regenerative capacity extends beyond limbs. Axolotls can also regenerate their tails, which include complex structures such as the spinal cord and blood vessels. Axolotls can regenerate portions of their spinal cord, heart, lungs, ovaries, and even parts of their brain without any scarring or loss of function. This ability to regenerate vital organs and tissues is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. This ability has captivated scientists for decades, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for tissue regeneration in other vertebrates, including humans. The hope is that by understanding how axolotls achieve such feats, we might one day unlock similar regenerative abilities in humans. Researchers believe that the axolotl's regenerative prowess stems from a unique combination of cellular and molecular processes. These processes involve a sophisticated network of signals that guide the regeneration process from start to finish. When an axolotl loses a body part, cells at the wound site revert to a stem cell-like state, capable of differentiating into any type of cell needed for regeneration. This cellular reprogramming is a key factor in the axolotl's ability to regenerate. These cells then proliferate rapidly, forming a mass of undifferentiated cells called a blastema. The blastema is essentially a regeneration hub, where the magic of regrowth happens. The blastema acts as a blueprint for the missing body part, with cells differentiating and organizing to form the necessary tissues and structures. This process is akin to a highly coordinated construction project, where each cell knows its role and place. This process is tightly regulated by a complex interplay of genes, growth factors, and signaling molecules, many of which are still not fully understood. Scientists are continually discovering new aspects of this intricate system, which could have profound implications for medical science. Unraveling the intricacies of axolotl regeneration holds immense promise for regenerative medicine, potentially leading to new treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart damage, and other debilitating conditions. The axolotl's secrets could pave the way for groundbreaking advancements in healing and recovery, offering hope to millions of patients worldwide.
The natural world is full of surprises and hidden wonders. Take the mouse, for instance, a tiny yet fascinating creature. This unassuming creature, often overlooked, plays a vital role in our world and ecosystems. From the Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests, mice have conquered a vast range of diverse habitats. Their adaptability and resilience make them a truly remarkable and enduring species. Mice have been instrumental in scientific breakthroughs that have shaped our understanding of genetics, disease, and medicine. They are In a sense, unsung heroes of the scientific world, contributing silently. In this exploration, we delve into the world of mice, uncovering their secrets, understanding their significance, and appreciating their place in the intricate tapestry of life. Mice are small rodents, typically characterized by their pointed snouts, small rounded ears, and long scaly tails. Their size can vary depending on the species, but most house mice measure around 3 inches in length, excluding their tails. Their fur, which serves as insulation and camouflage, comes in a variety of colors, from shades of brown and gray to white. Their whiskers, highly sensitive tactile hairs, help them navigate in darkness and detect changes in their environment. Mice have sharp incisor teeth that grow continuously throughout their lives. Their small, sharp claws aid them in climbing, digging, and manipulating food. Their keen senses, particularly their sense of smell and hearing, are crucial for their survival. Mice are highly adaptable creatures, capable of thriving in a wide range of habitats. They are particularly adept at living in close proximity to humans, finding shelter and food in our homes, farms, and urban environments. While they are primarily herbivores, feeding on seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables, they are also known to be opportunistic omnivores. In the wild, mice build nests in burrows, tree cavities, or under rocks and logs. These nests provide them with shelter from predators and the elements, as well as a safe place to raise their young. Their ability to thrive in a variety of environments and exploit a wide range of food sources has made them one of the most successful mammal species on Earth. The life of a mouse is a delicate balancing act between survival and reproduction. Mice are generally social animals, living in groups led by a dominant male. Within these groups, there is a complex hierarchy, with individuals vying for resources, mates, and social status. Their social interactions are often characterized by a mixture of cooperation and competition. Their breeding cycle is remarkably fast, with females capable of producing multiple litters of pups each year. After a gestation period of about 20 days, a female mouse can give birth to as many as 12 pups. This rapid reproductive rate is essential for their survival, allowing them to quickly replenish their populations. Section 5. Tiny Titans of Science. Mice in research. While often perceived as pests, mice play an indispensable role in scientific research. These small creatures have become the backbone of many groundbreaking studies. Their biological similarities to humans, rapid reproduction rates, and ease of handling make them ideal model organisms for a wide range of studies. From genetics to behavioral science, mice are invaluable. They share approximately 99% of their genes with us, making them excellent subjects for studying human diseases and genetic disorders. This genetic similarity allows researchers to gain insights that are directly applicable to human health. Researchers can manipulate their genes to create mouse models of human diseases, allowing them to study the progression of diseases and test potential treatments. This genetic engineering has led to significant advancements in medical research. Mice are also used extensively in drug development and toxicology testing. Their role in these areas is crucial for ensuring the safety of new medications. New drugs and therapies are often tested on mice first to assess their safety and efficacy before being tested on humans. This step is vital in the drug development process. The use of mice in research has undoubtedly advanced our understanding of human health and disease. Their contributions have paved the way for numerous medical breakthroughs, making them true tiny titans of science. Section 6. The Good, the Bad, and the Mouse. Environmental Impact. The relationship between mice and their environment is a complex and multifaceted one. While they play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance, their presence can also have negative consequences. Mice are important prey animals for a variety of predators, including owls, snakes, weasels, and foxes. They also play a role in seed dispersal, helping to regenerate forests and maintain plant diversity. However, when their populations explode, mice can become agricultural pests. causing significant damage to crops and stored grains. Furthermore, mice can carry and transmit diseases, some of which can be harmful to humans and livestock. Managing mouse populations is essential for minimizing their negative impacts while preserving their ecological benefits. Section 7. Of mice and men. Economic significance. The impact of mice on human society extends far beyond their ecological role. These small creatures have a surprisingly large influence on various aspects of our lives. On the negative side, mice are notorious agricultural pests, causing billions of dollars in damage to crops and stored grains worldwide each year. Their ability to infiltrate storage facilities and fields makes them a persistent threat to food security. Their voracious appetites and rapid reproduction rates can decimate fields and contaminate food supplies. This not only affects farmers, but also has a ripple effect on food prices and availability. Their presence in homes and businesses can also lead to costly damage and control measures. From gnawed wires to contaminated food, the economic burden of managing these pests is substantial. However, mice also contribute positively to the economy through their use in scientific research and the development of new technologies. Their genetic similarities to humans make them invaluable in medical studies. The biomedical industry relies heavily on mice for drug development, disease modeling, and toxicology testing. These studies are crucial for understanding human diseases and developing effective treatments. Their contribution to the advancement of human health and the development of new treatments generates significant economic activity and supports countless jobs. The benefits derived from their use in research far outweigh the costs associated with their negative impacts. Section 8. Living on the edge. Survival mechanisms. Mice, despite their diminutive size, have evolved an impressive repertoire of survival mechanisms. One of their most effective defense mechanisms is their exceptional agility and speed. Mice can squeeze through incredibly small spaces, navigate complex environments with ease, and outrun many of their predators. Their keen senses, particularly their sense of smell and hearing, are crucial for detecting danger and navigating their surroundings. Their nocturnal nature is another key survival strategy. By venturing out under the cover of darkness, mice reduce their risk of encountering diurnal predators. Their adaptability to human environments is another testament to their resilience. Section 9. Mice in culture and history. Mice, despite their small stature, have left an indelible mark on human culture and history. In many cultures, mice are seen as symbols of resourcefulness, adaptability, and even good luck. However, mice have also been associated with negative connotations, often representing disease, destruction, and pestilence. In literature and film, mice have been portrayed as both endearing protagonists and cunning antagonists. From the beloved Mickey Mouse to the mischievous Jerry of Tom and Jerry fame, these animated characters have entertained generations. On the other hand, mice have also been depicted as sinister creatures in horror films and literature. The enduring presence of mice in our cultural narratives highlights their profound impact on the human experience. Section 10. Conclusion. Small wonder, big impact. The humble mouse, often overlooked or dismissed as a mere pest, emerges from closer examination as a creature of remarkable significance. These small mammals, with their keen senses and quick reflexes, have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments, from dense forests to bustling urban areas. Their adaptability, resilience, and profound impact on our ecosystems, scientific endeavors, and even our cultural narratives underscore their importance in the grand tapestry of life. Mice have been pivotal in countless scientific breakthroughs, from genetics to medicine, providing invaluable insights that have advanced human knowledge. From their diverse habitats and fascinating behaviors to their invaluable contributions to scientific research and their complex relationship with human society, mice offer a glimpse into the interconnectedness of all living things. Their presence in our homes and fields reminds us of the delicate balance between nature and human development. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, the importance of biodiversity, and the enduring influence of even the smallest creatures on our planet. Mice, with their intricate social structures and survival strategies, exemplify the complexity and beauty of the natural world. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature and the importance of respecting all forms of life. Each discovery about their behavior and biology enriches our understanding of the world around us. The mighty mouse, small but significant, serves as a reminder that every creature, no matter how humble, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life on Earth. Their existence challenges us to look closer, to value the unseen, and to recognize the profound impact of even the tiniest beings.
Humans and dogs share a special connection. This bond has existed for thousands of years. Dogs were the first animals to be domesticated. They have played many roles throughout history. From loyal companions to skilled workers, dogs have always been by our side. The relationship between humans and dogs is based on mutual trust and affection. Dogs offer unwavering loyalty and companionship. In return, we provide them with care, shelter, and love. This partnership has benefited both species. It has shaped the world we live in today. Dogs have earned the title of man's best friend for a reason. They offer emotional support, reduce stress, and promote active lifestyles. The presence of a dog can bring joy, laughter, and a sense of purpose. This extraordinary bond continues to enrich the lives of millions around the world. The story of dog domestication is a fascinating journey. It began thousands of years ago with the gray wolf. Scientists believe that some wolves were less afraid of humans. They scavenged for food near human settlements. Over time, a unique relationship developed. Humans began to see the wolf's potential as hunting partners and protectors. Through selective breeding, certain traits were favored. These traits included a smaller size, a more docile temperament, and an ability to follow commands. This gradual process of domestication led to the evolution of the dog we know and love today. From the sleek greyhound to the fluffy Samoyed, every breed can be traced back to their wolf ancestors. The incredible diversity in dog breeds is a testament to the power of selective breeding and the enduring partnership between humans and dogs. The domestication of dogs is an ongoing process. As we continue to live and work alongside them, their evolution continues to be shaped by our interactions. The world of dogs is incredibly diverse. Hundreds of recognized dog breeds exist. Each breed possesses unique physical characteristics, temperaments, and abilities. From the tiny Chihuahua to the massive Great Dane, dogs come in all shapes and sizes. Some breeds were bred for specific purposes. For example, the Border Collie was bred to herd sheep, while the Labrador Retriever was bred to retrieve waterfowl. Other breeds, like the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, were bred primarily for companionship. Each breed has its own set of needs and characteristics. Understanding these differences is crucial for responsible dog ownership. Potential dog owners should research different breeds carefully. Choosing a breed that aligns with their lifestyle and living situation is important. The American Kennel Club, AKC, recognizes over 200 dog breeds. These breeds are divided into 7 groups: sporting, hound, working, terrier, toy, non-sporting, and herding. Dogs play many vital roles in human society. They are beloved companions, loyal protectors, and skilled workers. Their intelligence, trainability, and unwavering loyalty make them ideal partners in various settings. One of the most well-known roles of dogs is that of a service dog. These highly trained canines assist individuals with disabilities, providing independence and support. Guide dogs help the visually impaired navigate their surroundings, while hearing dogs alert their deaf or hard-of-hearing handlers to important sounds. Therapy dogs offer comfort and emotional support in hospitals, nursing homes, and schools. Their gentle nature and calming presence can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and promote social interaction. Working dogs perform essential tasks in law enforcement, search and rescue, and disaster relief. Their keen sense of smell, agility, and courage make them invaluable assets in these demanding fields. Dogs are incredibly intelligent creatures, capable of learning complex commands and adapting to diverse environments. Their cognitive abilities are often underestimated, but studies have shown that dogs possess a remarkable capacity for problem-solving, communication, and social cognition. Dogs learn through association and reinforcement. Positive reinforcement, such as treats, praise, and affection, is the most effective way to train a dog. Consistency and patience are key, as dogs learn at different paces. While dogs may not understand human language in the same way we do, they are highly attuned to our tone of voice, body language, and facial expressions. They can learn to associate specific words and phrases with certain actions or objects. It's important to remember that every dog is an individual with its own unique personality and learning style. What works for one dog may not work for another. By understanding how dogs learn and what motivates them, we can unlock their full potential and strengthen our bond with these amazing animals. Dogs may not speak our language, but they communicate with us in countless ways. Understanding their body language is essential for building a strong and harmonious relationship. By paying attention to their posture, tail wags, ear position, and facial expressions, we can decipher their emotions and intentions. A wagging tail doesn't always signify happiness. A high, stiff wag can indicate alertness or even aggression, while a low, sweeping wag usually conveys a more relaxed and friendly demeanor. Similarly, a dog's ears can convey a range of emotions, from alertness and interest to fear and anxiety. Dogs use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with each other and with us. By learning to interpret their signals, we can better understand their needs and respond appropriately. Effective communication is a two-way street. Just as we learn to read our dog's signals, we can also teach them to understand ours through clear and consistent cues. Providing proper care is crucial for ensuring a long and healthy life for our canine companions. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, mental stimulation, and routine veterinary care. A high-quality dog food that meets their specific nutritional needs is essential. The right diet will vary depending on the dog's breed, age, activity level, and any underlying health conditions. It's always best to consult with your veterinarian to determine the best food for your furry friend. Just like humans, dogs need regular exercise to stay physically and mentally fit. The amount and type of exercise will vary depending on the breed and age of the dog. Daily walks, playtime in the park, or a game of fetch are all great ways to keep your dog active and entertained. Exercise is not just about physical health, it's also crucial for a dog's mental and emotional well-being. Regular physical activity helps to release pent-up energy, preventing boredom and destructive behaviors. Playing with your dog is a wonderful way to bond and strengthen your relationship. Whether it's a game of fetch, a rousing game of tug-of-war, or a leisurely walk in the woods, engaging in activities together provides valuable mental stimulation and strengthens the bond between you. Different breeds have different exercise needs. High-energy breeds, such as Border Collies and Australian Shepherds, require significant amounts of physical and mental stimulation, while more laid-back breeds like Bulldogs and Pugs may be content with shorter walks and playtime. Providing ample opportunities for exercise and play is an investment in your dog's overall health and happiness. Regular grooming is an important aspect of responsible dog ownership. It helps to maintain a dog's hygiene, prevent matting, and keep their skin and coat healthy. The frequency of grooming will vary depending on the breed and coat type. Some breeds like Poodles and Bichons require regular haircuts and brushing to prevent matting, while others like Labrador Retrievers and Beagles have shorter coats that are relatively low maintenance. Brushing your dog's coat helps to remove loose hair, dirt, and debris, while also distributing natural oils that keep their skin and coat healthy. It's also a great opportunity to check for any skin irritations, fleas, or ticks. Regular nail trims are also important to prevent overgrowth, which can cause discomfort and even lead to infections. Grooming sessions can be a bonding experience for you and your dog. By approaching grooming with patience and positive reinforcement, you can help your dog associate these activities with positive experiences. Just like humans, dogs require regular medical checkups to ensure they stay healthy and to catch any potential health problems early on. Regular veterinary care is essential for preventing diseases, managing existing conditions, and ensuring your furry friend lives a long and healthy life. During a checkup, your veterinarian will examine your dog's overall health, administer necessary vaccinations, and address any concerns you may have. They can also provide guidance on nutrition, exercise, and behavior. Puppies require a series of vaccinations to protect them from potentially deadly diseases, while adult dogs need regular booster shots to maintain their immunity. your veterinarian can help you determine the appropriate vaccination schedule for your dog. In addition to vaccinations, your veterinarian can also perform routine dental cleanings, which are crucial for preventing dental disease, a common problem in dogs. Dogs occupy a unique and cherished place in human society. They are our companions, confidants, and furry family members. Their unwavering loyalty, unconditional love, and ability to bring joy to our lives are unmatched. Throughout history, dogs have played integral roles in our lives. They have served as our protectors, hunting partners, and working companions. Today, they continue to enrich our lives in countless ways, offering emotional support, promoting active lifestyles, and providing a constant source of love and companionship. As we continue to share our lives with these incredible creatures, it is our responsibility to ensure their well-being, to provide them with the care they need, and to cherish the extraordinary bond we share. Dogs have earned their place as man's best friend, and their presence in our lives is a testament to the power of interspecies companionship.
Cats, agile hunters, independent companions. They are beloved pets found in homes around the world. With their sleek bodies, piercing eyes, and enigmatic purrs, cats have captivated humans for centuries. Their journey alongside us is a testament to their adaptable nature and the unique bond we share. From the mischievous antics of kittens to the regal presence of older felines, cats bring joy to our lives. Their independent nature is often perceived as aloofness, but it is this very independence that makes their affection so rewarding. Behind those piercing gazes lies a world of complex communication, playful instincts, and deep-seated loyalty. In the following sections, we will delve into the fascinating world of cats. We'll explore their history, their physical abilities, and the nuances of their behavior. Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or simply curious about these enigmatic creatures, join me as we unravel the mysteries and celebrate the wonders of our feline friends. The story of cats and humans intertwines in a fascinating journey that spans millennia. Thousands of years ago, in the ancient Near East, the first steps towards domestication began. While the exact timeline remains shrouded in the mists of time, evidence suggests that cats were first domesticated in this region around 9,000 years ago. Archaeological findings, including ancient artifacts and depictions, provide glimpses into this early relationship. This predates the domestication of horses and even some breeds of dogs, highlighting the long-standing bond between humans and felines. Unlike dogs, which were domesticated for their utility in hunting and guarding, cats found their niche in human society through a different route. Early farmers likely welcomed the presence of these skilled hunters. Cats, with their keen senses and agile bodies, were adept at catching rodents that threatened valuable grain stores. By controlling rodent populations, cats played a crucial role in protecting food supplies, which was vital for the survival and prosperity of early agricultural communities. This mutually beneficial relationship marked the beginning of a long and evolving partnership. As humans began to recognize the benefits of having cats around, they started to provide food and shelter, further strengthening the bond. This symbiotic relationship allowed cats to transition from wild predators to semi-domesticated animals. Over time, cats transitioned from useful pest controllers to cherished companions. Their independent yet affectionate nature endeared them to humans, and they began to occupy a special place in households. Ancient Egyptians, in particular, revered cats. They were not only valued for their practical role in controlling pests, but also held a significant place in the spiritual and cultural life of the society. Cats were associated with the goddess Bastet, a symbol of protection, fertility, and motherhood. Bastet was often depicted as a lioness or as a woman with the head of a lioness or domestic cat, underscoring the sacred status of cats in Egyptian culture. Cats were so esteemed that harming one was a serious crime, punishable by severe penalties. This reverence extended to the afterlife, where cats were often mummified and buried with their owners. Their images graced tombs and temples, a testament to their significance in ancient Egyptian society. The reverence for cats in Egypt was unparalleled, and their legacy continues to influence how we view these animals today. The journey from wild predators to cherished companions is a testament to the adaptable nature of cats. Throughout history, they have shown an incredible ability to coexist with humans, adapting to various roles and environments. Today, cats have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of human society. They are beloved pets, internet sensations, and even therapeutic companions. Their presence in our homes and hearts is a lasting reminder of the unique and enduring bond we share with these remarkable creatures. From ancient temples to modern living rooms, cats have left an indelible paw print on our history and hearts. Cats are masters of agility and stealth, their bodies perfectly honed for a life of hunting. Their flexible spines allow them to contort into seemingly impossible positions, navigating tight spaces with ease. Sharp, retractable claws provide traction for climbing and serve as deadly weapons when pursuing prey. Their senses are equally remarkable. Cats possess exceptional night vision, thanks to a high number of light-sensitive cells in their eyes. Their hearing is incredibly acute, allowing them to detect the subtlest rustle of prey or the high-pitched calls of their young. Perhaps one of the most fascinating feline abilities is the riding reflex. This instinct, present from a very young age, allows cats to orient themselves during a fall and land on their feet. While not always foolproof, this reflex highlights the incredible balance and coordination inherent in these creatures. These physical adaptations, honed over millennia of evolution, make cats formidable predators. Yet, these same traits contribute to their grace, agility, and the captivating charm that makes them such beloved companions. Section 4. The language of meows and purrs. Decoding feline behavior. While cats may not communicate with the complex language of humans, they are far from silent creatures. Their vocalizations, though not as intricate as human speech, are rich with meaning and purpose. They have developed a nuanced repertoire of meows, purrs, hisses, and body language to express their needs and emotions. Each sound and gesture carries a specific message, whether it's a request for food, a sign of affection, or a warning to stay away. Understanding these signals is key to building a strong bond with your feline companion. By paying attention to their vocalizations and body language, you can better meet their needs and create a harmonious living environment. The meow is a cat's primary way of communicating with humans. Unlike dogs, who may bark at both humans and other dogs, cats reserve their meows almost exclusively for their human companions. Kittens meow to their mothers to signal hunger, discomfort, or the need for attention. This behavior is crucial for their survival in the early stages of life. However, adult cats rarely meow to each other. Instead, they use other forms of communication, such as body language and scent marking, to interact with fellow felines. They reserve this vocalization almost exclusively for interactions with their human families. This unique behavior suggests that cats have adapted their communication methods to better coexist with humans. A purr is often interpreted as a sign of contentment, and indeed it often is. When a cat purrs while being petted or lying comfortably, it's usually a sign that they are happy and relaxed. However, the purr is a more complex vocalization than it might seem at first glance. Cats also purr when they are injured or stressed, using the vibrations as a self-soothing mechanism. This dual purpose of purring can make it challenging to interpret. It's essential to consider the context in which the purring occurs to understand its true meaning. Using the vibrations as a self-soothing mechanism, cats can help themselves heal and reduce pain. This fascinating aspect of feline behavior highlights their resilience and adaptability. Context is key when deciphering the meaning behind a purr. Observing the cat's overall behavior and environment can provide valuable clues about their emotional state. Hissing, growling, and flattened ears are clear warning signals. These vocalizations and gestures indicate that a cat is feeling threatened or aggressive. These indicate fear, aggression, or a cat's desire to be left alone. Ignoring these signals can lead to scratches or bites, as the cat may feel the need to defend itself. Recognizing and respecting these signals is crucial to avoid potential scratches or bites. By giving the cat space and time to calm down, you can prevent negative interactions and build trust. Beyond vocalizations, cats rely heavily on body language. Their posture, tail position, and facial expressions can convey a wide range of emotions and intentions. A tail held high signifies confidence and friendliness. When a cat approaches you with its tail up, it's a sign that they feel secure and happy in your presence. Conversely, a tucked tail suggests fear or anxiety. This posture indicates that the cat is feeling threatened or uncomfortable and may need reassurance or space. Slow blinks are a sign of trust and affection. When a cat slowly blinks at you, it's often referred to as a feline kiss, a gesture that shows they feel safe and content. A feline kiss that speaks volumes. Slow blinking is a way for cats to communicate their love and trust. Responding with slow blinks can strengthen your bond and show your cat that you understand their language. Section 5. Natural-born hunters. Exploring the instincts of a miniature panther. Beneath the veneer of domesticity lies the heart of a hunter. Every house cat, no matter how pampered, carries within it the legacy of its wild ancestors. These instincts are not just remnants of the past, but are very much alive in their daily behaviors. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their bodies are designed to thrive on a diet of animal protein. This dietary requirement is a direct link to their predatory nature. In the wild, their ancestors relied on hunting to survive, and this trait has been passed down through generations. This biological imperative drives their hunting instincts, even if their food bowl is always full. The act of hunting is not just about hunger, it's about fulfilling a deep-seated need that is ingrained in their DNA. Watching a cat stalk a toy mouse or chase a laser pointer is to witness the honed instincts of a miniature panther. These playful activities are more than just games. They are expressions of their natural behaviors. The focused gaze, the twitching tail, the sudden pounce. These are behaviors hardwired into their DNA. Each movement is a testament to their predatory prowess, a dance of survival that has been perfected over millennia. Providing opportunities for cats to engage in these natural behaviors is essential for their physical and mental well-being. Without these outlets, cats can become bored, stressed, and even develop behavioral issues. Puzzle feeders, interactive toys, and even simple games of fetch can provide the mental stimulation and physical exercise that cats need to thrive. These tools mimic the challenges they would face in the wild, keeping their minds sharp and their bodies active. Remember, a cat's hunting instincts are not a sign of aggression. They are a natural part of who they are. Understanding this can help us appreciate their behaviors and provide them with the environment they need to express these instincts safely. They are a testament to the wildness that still resides within these domesticated companions. This wildness is what makes them such fascinating and enigmatic creatures. By understanding and channeling these instincts, we can provide our feline friends with enriching and fulfilling lives. Enrichment activities not only keep them entertained, but also ensure they remain healthy and happy. So the next time you see your cat pounce on a toy or stalk a feather, remember that you are witnessing a miniature panther in action, living out its natural instincts in the safety of your home.
Rabbits are small mammals found throughout the world. They belong to the family Leporidae, which includes over 30 species. These creatures have adapted to a wide range of environments, from dense forests to open grasslands and even arid deserts. They are known for their soft fur, long ears, and twitchy noses. Their fur can vary in color and texture, providing them with camouflage and protection against predators. The long ears of rabbits are not just for hearing, they also help regulate their body temperature. With their gentle nature and endearing hopping gait, rabbits have captivated humans for centuries. Their unique way of moving, characterized by powerful hind legs and a distinctive hop, allows them to escape predators quickly and efficiently. These fascinating creatures are more than just cute faces. They play a vital role in their ecosystems and have a complex relationship with humans. Rabbits are prey animals, and their presence supports a variety of predators, including birds of prey, foxes, and wildcats. Additionally, their burrowing habits help aerate the soil and promote plant growth. Join us as we delve into the world of rabbits, exploring their physical characteristics, behaviors, habitats, and the challenges they face in a changing world. From their intricate social structures to their impressive reproductive capabilities, rabbits are truly remarkable. From the snowy Arctic to the grasslands of Africa, rabbits have adapted to diverse environments. Their ability to thrive in such varied conditions is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. In colder climates, rabbits grow thicker fur to keep warm, while in hotter regions, they have developed ways to stay cool and conserve water. Their adaptability, combined with their unique biology and fascinating social structures, makes them a truly remarkable species. Rabbits are social animals, often living in groups called colonies or warrens. Within these groups, they establish hierarchies and communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language. Understanding rabbits is not just about appreciating their charm. It is about recognizing their importance in the web of life and our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect rabbit populations from threats such as habitat loss, climate change, and disease. By learning more about these gentle hoppers, we can better appreciate their role in nature and take steps to preserve their habitats and ensure their continued existence. Rabbits are instantly recognizable by their distinctive features. These small, furry creatures have captured the hearts of many with their gentle demeanor and unique physical traits. Their most prominent characteristic is undoubtedly their long ears. These ears are not just for show, they are a marvel of nature's engineering. These ears serve an important purpose beyond just looking adorable. They act as sensitive radars, picking up the slightest sounds and helping rabbits detect predators. The ability to rotate their ears independently allows them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound, giving them a significant advantage in the wild. A rabbit's hearing is far superior to its eyesight, allowing it to navigate the world with remarkable awareness. While their vision is adapted to detect movement, their hearing is what truly keeps them safe from harm. In addition to their powerful ears, rabbits possess strong hind legs, perfectly designed for hopping and leaping. These legs are muscular and robust, enabling them to make quick, powerful jumps. This unique mode of locomotion allows them to cover ground quickly and evade danger with impressive agility. The zigzag motion they often use while running is a tactic to confuse predators, making it harder for them to predict the rabbit's next move. Their compact bodies are covered in dense, soft fur, providing insulation and camouflage in their natural habitats. This fur not only keeps them warm, but also helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. A rabbit's teeth are also fascinating, continuously growing throughout their lives to counteract the wear and tear of their herbivorous diet. These ever-growing teeth ensure that they can always efficiently process the tough vegetation they consume. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and other plant materials, which require a lot of chewing. This constant gnawing helps to keep their teeth at the right length and prevents them from becoming overgrown. Grooming is another essential aspect of a rabbit's daily routine. They spend a significant amount of time cleaning themselves to keep their fur in top condition. This not only helps them stay clean, but also reduces the risk of parasites and other skin issues. Rabbits are also highly social animals. In the wild, they live in groups called warrens, where they establish complex social structures. These social bonds are crucial for their survival, providing protection and companionship. Burrowing is another fascinating behavior. Rabbits dig intricate tunnel systems underground, which serve as their homes and provide shelter from predators and harsh weather conditions. These burrows are often shared with other rabbits, reinforcing their social nature. In their natural habitats, rabbits are constantly exploring and foraging. Their keen senses and agile bodies make them adept at finding food and avoiding danger. Whether in meadows, forests, or grasslands, rabbits have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. Their large, expressive eyes are another notable feature. Positioned on the sides of their heads, these eyes give them a wide field of vision, allowing them to detect movement from almost any direction. This is particularly useful for spotting potential threats. Lastly, a rabbit's nose and whiskers are incredibly sensitive. Their twitching noses help them to smell their surroundings, while their whiskers provide tactile information about the environment, aiding in navigation and exploration. All these features come together to make the rabbit a remarkable and resilient creature. Their anatomy is perfectly suited to their lifestyle, allowing them to thrive in the wild and captivate the hearts of humans everywhere. Rabbits are highly adaptable creatures, making their homes in a variety of habitats around the globe. From meadows and forests to deserts and even urban parks, rabbits have proven their resilience and adaptability. They are particularly fond of areas with dense vegetation, providing both food and shelter from predators. These burrowing animals create underground homes called warrens, which consist of a network of tunnels and chambers. These warrens provide safe havens for raising young, escaping predators, and sheltering from the elements. Rabbits are social animals, often living in colonies within their warrens. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including thumps, grunts, and even screams, and have a complex social hierarchy within their groups. Rabbits are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of plant matter. They thrive on a variety of vegetation, which provides them with the necessary nutrients to sustain their active lifestyles. They are particularly fond of grasses, hay, and leafy greens. These foods are not only delicious to them, but also essential for their digestive health. Their digestive systems are specially adapted to break down the tough fibers found in plants. This adaptation allows them to extract maximum nutrition from their food, which is crucial for their survival. A rabbit's diet plays a crucial role in its overall health and well-being. A balanced diet ensures that they have the energy to hop around, reproduce, and evade predators. Reproduction is another important aspect of a rabbit's life cycle. Rabbits are known for their ability to reproduce quickly and in large numbers. Known for their prolific breeding habits, rabbits can produce multiple litters of kits, or baby rabbits, each year. This ensures that their populations remain stable despite the many challenges they face. Female rabbits, called does, create nests for their young and nurse them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. These nests are often made from fur and grass, providing a warm and safe environment for the kits. This rapid reproduction rate is essential for maintaining healthy rabbit populations, especially considering the threats they face in the wild. Predators such as foxes, hawks, and snakes are always on the lookout for an easy meal, making the survival of each rabbit crucial for the species as a whole. Rabbits are also known for their agility and speed, which help them escape from predators. Their strong hind legs allow them to make quick, powerful jumps, and their keen senses keep them alert to danger. Social behavior is another interesting aspect of rabbit life. They often live in groups, which provides them with protection and companionship. Grooming each other and playing together strengthens their social bonds. Rabbits create complex burrow systems, known as warrens, which serve as their homes. These warrens provide shelter from the elements and predators, and they are often passed down through generations. The circle of rabbit life is a fascinating and intricate process, showcasing the resilience and adaptability of these small but remarkable creatures. From their diet and reproduction to their social structures and survival strategies, rabbits are a testament to the wonders of nature.
The horse, a creature of such beauty, power, and grace. For millennia, horses have captivated our hearts and imaginations. They have galloped alongside us, sharing our burdens and our triumphs. Their story is woven into the very fabric of human history. From the vast steppes of Asia to the rolling hills of Europe, horses have left their mark on every corner of the globe. They have served as our companions, our partners, and our inspiration. The horse's tale begins over 50 million years ago with a small forest-dwelling creature called Eohippus. This humble ancestor was a far cry from the majestic animals we know today. Over countless generations, through the slow and steady process of evolution, the horse transformed. They adapted to changing environments, their bodies growing larger, legs lengthening, and hooves hardening. This incredible journey culminated in the appearance of Equus, the genus that encompasses all modern horses, donkeys, and zebras. Their domestication around 6,000 years ago marked the beginning of a profound partnership between humans and horses. Horses are a symphony of strength and elegance. Their powerful muscles ripple beneath sleek coats. Their long, flowing manes and tails speak of wildness and freedom. Their large, expressive eyes reflect an intelligence that has earned them a special place in our hearts. Over centuries of selective breeding, a dazzling array of horse breeds has emerged. Each breed possesses unique characteristics, tailored to specific tasks. From the sturdy workhorses that plowed our fields to the sleek thoroughbreds that thunder across racetracks, each breed speaks to the enduring bond between humans and horses. For millennia, horses were indispensable to human civilization. They were the engines of our early economies, their strength harnessed to plow fields and transport goods. Before the roar of engines, it was the clatter of hooves that carried us across continents. Horses carried our messages, our goods, and our dreams. In times of war, horses became fearsome weapons, their speed and agility turning the tide of battle. Mounted warriors, from the charioteers of ancient Rome to the knights of medieval Europe, rode horses to victory, their fates intertwined. Symbols of power, grace, and freedom. Beyond their practical roles, horses have always held a powerful place in our collective imagination. They are symbols of power and grace, freedom and nobility. In mythology and folklore, horses are often depicted as divine creatures. They are the steeds of gods and heroes, carrying them on epic journeys and into the heart of battle. Across cultures, horses represent strength, loyalty, and a connection to the natural world. Their image has been immortalized in art, literature, and music, a testament to their enduring hold on our hearts. The modern horse companions in sport, leisure, and healing. While the roles of horses in modern society have evolved, their significance remains. These majestic creatures have transitioned from being mere tools of labor to becoming cherished companions and partners in various aspects of our lives. They are no longer essential for transportation or warfare, but they continue to enrich our lives in countless ways. From the stable to the open fields, horses have found new roles that highlight their versatility and enduring bond with humans. Horses are our partners in sport, their athleticism on full display in disciplines like racing, dressage, and show jumping. These sports not only showcase the physical prowess of these animals, but also the deep connection and trust between horse and rider. The thrill of a race, the precision of dressage, and the excitement of show jumping are testaments to the incredible capabilities of these animals. They are our companions in leisure, carrying us on trails through forests and meadows, allowing us to experience the world from a different perspective. Horseback riding offers a unique way to connect with nature, providing a sense of freedom and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Whether it's a leisurely ride through a serene landscape or an adventurous trek through rugged terrain, horses make these experiences unforgettable. Increasingly, horses are recognized for their therapeutic value. Equine-assisted therapy has gained popularity as a powerful tool for healing and personal growth. The presence of a horse can have a calming effect, helping individuals to open up and engage in the therapeutic process more effectively. Their gentle nature and intuitive spirit make them ideal partners in therapy for individuals with physical, emotional, or mental challenges. From children with disabilities to veterans dealing with PTSD, horses offer a unique form of support and companionship. The bond formed between horse and rider can lead to significant improvements in confidence, self-esteem, and overall well-being. The therapeutic benefits of interacting with horses are profound, providing a sense of connection and understanding that transcends words. In conclusion, the modern horse continues to play a vital role in our lives, adapting to new roles while maintaining their timeless appeal. Whether in sport, leisure, or therapy, horses remain steadfast companions, enriching our lives with their presence and reminding us of the deep bond we share with these magnificent creatures. Guardianship and respect, ensuring the well-being of horses. As we move forward, it is our responsibility to ensure the well-being of these magnificent creatures. Horses have been our companions, our workers, and our friends for centuries. They have carried us into battle, helped us plow our fields, and provided us with transportation long before the advent of modern vehicles. Their strength, grace, and loyalty have earned them a special place in our hearts and our history. Horses deserve our respect, our care, and our protection. This means providing them with proper nutrition, regular veterinary care, and a safe and comfortable living environment. It also means understanding their natural behaviors and needs, and ensuring they have the opportunity to express these behaviors. For instance, horses are social animals that thrive on companionship, so it's important to allow them to interact with other horses. We must advocate for their humane treatment, both in our interactions with them and in the systems that govern their lives. This includes supporting legislation that protects horses from abuse and neglect, and promoting practices that prioritize their well-being. Training methods should be based on positive reinforcement and respect, rather than fear and punishment. Facilities should be designed with the horse's comfort and safety in mind, providing ample space, clean bedding, and access to fresh water and nutritious food. We must be vigilant in preventing abuse and neglect, and we must support organizations dedicated to rescuing and rehabilitating horses in need. These organizations play a crucial role in providing a second chance for horses that have been mistreated or abandoned. They offer medical care, rehabilitation, and a safe haven where horses can recover and thrive. By supporting these organizations, whether through donations, volunteering, or advocacy, we can help ensure that every horse has the opportunity to live a happy and healthy life. By ensuring the welfare of horses, we honor the bond we share and secure their place in our world for generations to come. This bond is built on mutual trust and respect, and it is our duty to uphold this relationship by treating horses with the kindness and compassion they deserve. Whether we are horse owners, riders, or simply admirers, we all have a role to play in protecting and preserving the well-being of these incredible animals. Together, we can create a world where horses are valued, respected, and cherished for the remarkable beings they are. An unbreakable bond, celebrating the horse-human partnership. The bond between humans and horses is a testament to the enduring power of interspecies connections. This unique relationship has evolved over millennia, shaping the course of human history and culture. From the earliest days of domestication, horses have been more than just animals. They have been our companions, our partners, and our friends. For thousands of years, horses have stood beside us, their strength complementing our ingenuity. They have carried us across vast landscapes, helped us plow our fields, and even fought alongside us in battles. Their contributions to human civilization are immeasurable, and their presence has been a constant source of inspiration and strength, their spirit inspiring our souls. The sight of a horse running freely in a field, its mane flowing in the wind, is a symbol of freedom and grace. This majestic creature has a way of touching our hearts and reminding us of the beauty and power of nature. As we move forward, let us remember the sacrifices they have made. Horses have served us in countless ways, from working the land to providing therapy and companionship. They have given us their strength, their loyalty, and their trust, often asking for little in return. The lessons they have taught us are invaluable. Through our interactions with horses, we learn about patience, empathy, and the importance of building trust. Training a horse requires understanding and communication, skills that are essential in all aspects of life. And the joy they continue to bring into our lives is immeasurable. Whether it's the thrill of a ride, the comfort of their presence, or the simple pleasure of watching them graze, horses have a unique ability to bring happiness and peace to our hearts. Let us celebrate the horse, not just for its historical significance, but for the timeless bond it shares with humanity. Throughout history, horses have been depicted in art, literature, and folklore, symbolizing strength, beauty, and freedom. Today, we continue to honor them through various events and tributes, recognizing their enduring impact on our lives, but for the timeless bond it shares with humanity. This connection goes beyond mere utility. It is a deep and profound relationship that enriches our lives in countless ways. Whether we are riding, grooming, or simply spending time with them, Horses have a way of bringing out the best in us. May we always strive to be worthy partners, honoring their trust and ensuring their well-being for generations to come. As we look to the future, let us commit to caring for these magnificent creatures, providing them with the love and respect they deserve, honoring their trust and ensuring their well-being for generations to come. By doing so, we not only honor the legacy of the horse-human partnership, but also ensure that this beautiful bond continues to thrive for many years to come.
The Arctic, a vast, frozen wilderness. It stretches across the northernmost part of our planet, a realm of ice and snow that seems almost otherworldly. This is a place where the landscape is sculpted by the relentless forces of nature, creating a stark yet breathtaking beauty. It is a land of extremes, where temperatures plummet to bone-chilling lows, and the sun disappears for months during the long polar night. Conversely, during the Arctic summer, the sun never sets, casting an eerie, perpetual daylight. Yet despite these harsh conditions, life not only persists, but thrives in this frozen expanse. Among the most iconic inhabitants of this icy realm is the polar bear, the Arctic's apex predator. These majestic creatures are a symbol of the Arctic's wild and untamed spirit. Polar bears are perfectly adapted to this harsh environment. Their large paws act like snowshoes, distributing their weight as they traverse the fragile ice. Their keen sense of smell can detect prey nearly a mile away. They are powerful swimmers, able to hold their breath for remarkable periods while diving in the icy waters. This ability allows them to hunt seals, their primary food source, which they catch by waiting patiently at breathing holes in the ice. Their thick fur and a layer of blubber provide essential insulation against the biting cold. The fur is not just dense, but also water repellent, helping them stay dry and warm after swimming. The polar bear's Latin name, Ursus maritimus, means maritime bear. This name reflects their close relationship with the sea, as they spend much of their life on the sea ice, hunting and traveling. This reflects their close relationship with the sea. They rely on the sea ice not just for hunting, but also for resting and even mating. The ice is their platform for life. They are dependent on sea ice for hunting, traveling, and even mating. The ice provides a critical habitat for them to raise their young and teach them the skills needed to survive in this harsh environment. Their very survival is intertwined with the fate of this frozen world. As climate change accelerates the melting of Arctic ice, the future of the polar bear hangs in the balance. The loss of sea ice threatens their ability to find food, reproduce, and ultimately, survive. The story of the polar bear is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance of life in the Arctic and the urgent need to protect this fragile ecosystem. Polar bears are found throughout the Arctic region. This includes countries like Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and the United States, specifically Alaska. Their distribution is closely linked to the presence of sea ice. Sea ice is not solid land. It forms over the ocean during the colder months and melts back during the summer. This dynamic environment is crucial for the polar bear's survival. It is on the ice that they hunt their primary prey seals. As the ice melts and reforms each year, polar bears follow their food source, making their home on this ever-shifting landscape. Polar bears are patient and opportunistic hunters. Their sense of smell is extraordinary, allowing them to detect prey from miles away. Seals are their primary food source, and they have developed specialized techniques for hunting them. One common method is called still hunting. The bear will wait patiently near a seal's breathing hole in the ice. When the seal surfaces for air, the bear strikes with lightning speed. Their powerful claws and teeth make short work of their prey. The Arctic is an unforgiving environment. It is a place where only the toughest can survive. A land of extremes where the cold is relentless and the winds are fierce. Temperatures can plummet to 50 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. The air is so cold that it can freeze exposed skin in minutes, and the snow and ice create a landscape that is both beautiful and deadly. Yet, polar bears thrive in this frozen world. These magnificent creatures have evolved to not just survive, but to flourish in one of the harshest climates on Earth. Their adaptations to the cold are remarkable. Every aspect of their physiology is designed to conserve heat and energy. Their thick fur is made up of 2 layers. This dual-layered coat is essential for maintaining their body heat in the frigid temperatures. The outer layer is made of long, hollow guard hairs. These hairs are not just for show, they play a crucial role in insulation. These hairs trap air, providing excellent insulation. The trapped air acts as a barrier, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. Beneath the guard hairs lies a dense underfur. This underfur is incredibly soft and woolly, adding another layer of protection against the cold. This layer is soft and woolly, further trapping heat. It is this combination of guard hairs and underfur that makes the polar bear's coat so effective at keeping them warm. In addition to their fur, polar bears have a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin. This blubber is not just for insulation, it also serves as an energy reserve. This blubber acts as both insulation and an energy reserve. It helps them survive during times when food is scarce, providing the necessary energy to sustain them through the long, harsh winters. Section 5. The ice melts away. The Arctic is warming at an alarming rate. This warming is causing the sea ice to melt earlier in the spring and freeze later in the fall. This shrinking ice cover is having a devastating impact on polar bears. They rely on the ice for hunting, traveling, and raising their young. As the ice melts, polar bears are forced to spend more time on land. This brings them into closer contact with humans and puts them at greater risk of starvation. Section 6. A global threat. Climate change is not the only threat facing polar bears. Pollution, oil and gas development, and shipping traffic all pose risks to their survival. Pollutants, such as pesticides and heavy metals, can accumulate in the Arctic food web, affecting the health of polar bears. Oil spills are a major concern. Oil can damage the insulating properties of a polar bear's fur, making them vulnerable to hypothermia. Shipping traffic can disrupt polar bear hunting grounds and increase the risk of collisions. Section 7. Guardians of the Arctic. Protecting polar bears requires a multifaceted approach. Conservation efforts are underway to address the threats they face. One key strategy is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This is essential to slow the rate of Arctic warming and protect sea ice. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, aim to limit global temperature rise. However, more needs to be done to meet these ambitious targets. Section 8. International cooperation. Polar bears are a shared resource. They do not recognize international borders. This makes international cooperation crucial for their conservation. The 5 Arctic nations with polar bear populations have signed a treaty to protect them. This treaty recognizes the importance of working together to address threats such as climate change and pollution. Collaboration between governments, scientists, and local communities is essential. Section 9. A future on thin ice. The future of polar bears hangs in the balance. Their fate is inextricably linked to the health of the Arctic ecosystem. As the ice melts, their world shrinks, and their survival becomes more precarious. We have a responsibility to act. Our actions today will determine the fate of these magnificent creatures. We must reduce our impact on the planet and work together to protect their Arctic home. Section 10. Our shared responsibility. The Arctic, a pristine and remote region, is home to one of the most majestic creatures on Earth, the polar bear. The polar bear is a powerful symbol of the Arctic. These magnificent animals are not just icons of the frozen north, they are also indicators of the health of our planet. Their plight is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. As the ice melts, polar bears struggle to find food and shelter, highlighting the urgent need for action. What happens in the Arctic does not stay in the Arctic. The melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, which can affect coastal communities thousands of miles away. Climate change is a global issue that requires a global response. From the bustling cities to the quiet countryside, every corner of the world is feeling its impact. We can all make a difference. Each one of us has a role to play in combating climate change and protecting our planet for future generations. By reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable practices, and raising awareness, we can collectively make a significant impact. Simple actions like using renewable energy, conserving water, and reducing waste can go a long way. We can help protect polar bears and the fragile ecosystem they depend on. The Arctic is a delicate environment, and its preservation is crucial for maintaining global biodiversity. The time to act is now. Delaying action will only make the problem worse and more difficult to solve. We must come together as a global community to address this pressing issue. The future of the Arctic and the polar bear is in our hands. Our choices today will determine the fate of these incredible creatures and the health of our planet. Let us take responsibility and work towards a sustainable future. As darkness descends, a remarkable creature takes to the skies, emerging from their hidden roosts to fill the night with their silent, graceful flight. Bats, the only mammals capable of true flight, have long captivated our imagination with their mysterious and often misunderstood nature. These nocturnal navigators are shrouded in an aura of mystery, often misunderstood and feared, yet they play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Yet, bats are essential to the health of our planet, playing vital roles in ecosystems worldwide. They pollinate flowers, disperse seeds, and control insect populations, making them indispensable to both natural and agricultural environments. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of bats, exploring their unique adaptations, ecological significance, and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. Bats inhabit nearly every corner of the globe, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, showcasing their incredible adaptability and resilience. Their diversity is astounding, with over 1,400 species identified, each uniquely adapted to its environment, from the tiny bumblebee bat to the large flying fox. Some bats are tiny, measuring just a few centimeters in length, while others boast wingspans exceeding 1 meter, illustrating the vast range of sizes and shapes within the bat family. Despite their varied appearances, all bats share a common ancestor, highlighting the remarkable evolutionary journey of these flying mammals. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and incredible diversity. The secret to bat flight lies in their remarkable wings, which are uniquely adapted for their nocturnal lifestyle. Unlike birds, whose wings are feathered forelimbs, bat wings are formed by a thin membrane of skin stretched between elongated finger bones, creating a structure that is both strong and flexible. This flexible membrane, known as the patagium, provides lift and maneuverability, allowing bats to execute intricate aerial maneuvers with ease and precision. Bats are incredibly agile flyers, capable of hovering, darting, and even flying backward, showcasing their extraordinary control in the air. Their keen senses further enhance their aerial prowess, making them formidable hunters of the night. While most bats have relatively poor eyesight, they are masters of echolocation, a skill that compensates for their visual limitations. This remarkable ability allows bats to see in the dark by emitting high-pitched sounds and interpreting the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment, creating a detailed sonic map. Echolocation enables bats to navigate complex terrains, hunt prey, and avoid obstacles with astonishing precision, making them one of nature's most efficient nocturnal predators. The dietary preferences of bats are as diverse as the bats themselves. Many bat species are insectivores, consuming vast quantities of insects each night. These insect-eating bats play a crucial role in regulating insect populations, benefiting both natural ecosystems and human agriculture. Other bats have developed a taste for fruit, nectar, or pollen. Fruit bats, with their large eyes and keen sense of smell, are important seed dispersers, playing a vital role in forest regeneration. Nectar-feeding bats, with their long tongues and ability to hover, act as pollinators for a variety of plants, including agave, the source of tequila. The dietary diversity of bats underscores their importance in maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems. Bats are often overlooked as keystone species, yet their ecological contributions are vast and far-reaching. As insectivores, they provide natural pest control, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Their consumption of insects saves farmers billions of dollars annually and protects our food crops from damage. Fruit bats, as seed dispersers, help maintain plant diversity and ensure the regeneration of forests. Nectar-feeding bats contribute to the pollination of numerous plant species, many of which hold economic or cultural significance. Bats also play a role in nutrient cycling, with their guano or droppings serving as a rich fertilizer. The ecological roles of bats are essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of countless other species, including humans. Section 5. White nose syndrome, a deadly threat. In recent decades, bats have faced unprecedented threats, with disease emerging as a significant concern. White nose syndrome, a fungal disease that affects hibernating bats, has decimated bat populations in North America. The fungus, Pseudogymnoascus destructans, thrives in cold, humid environments, such as caves and mines where bats hibernate. Infected bats exhibit unusual behavior, including flying during the day and clustering near cave entrances. The fungus disrupts the bat's hibernation cycle, depleting their energy reserves and leading to death. White nose syndrome has had a devastating impact on bat populations, with millions of bats lost since the disease was first detected in 2006. Section 6. Habitat loss, a growing concern. While disease poses a significant threat to bats, habitat loss remains a pressing issue. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion are destroying vital bat roosting and foraging areas. As forests disappear, so too do the trees that provide roosting sites for many bat species. Caves, another important roosting habitat, are often disturbed or destroyed by human activities. The conversion of natural habitats to agricultural land reduces the availability of insect prey for insectivorous bats. Similarly, the loss of flowering plants impacts nectar-feeding bats. Habitat loss not only displaces bats, but also disrupts their ability to find food, rear their young, and survive. Section 7. Protecting our bats, conservation efforts. Recognizing the importance of bats and the threats they face, conservationists and researchers are working tirelessly to protect these fascinating creatures. Efforts to combat white nose syndrome include researching the disease, developing treatments, and implementing decontamination protocols in affected caves. Habitat conservation and restoration are crucial for the long-term survival of bat populations. Protecting existing forests, restoring degraded habitats, and creating bat-friendly gardens are all important steps in providing bats with the resources they need to thrive. Public education and outreach are essential for dispelling myths and fostering appreciation for bats. By understanding the vital roles bats play, we can all contribute to their conservation. Section 8. Bats and humans. A complex relationship. The relationship between bats and humans is complex and often fraught with misunderstanding. Bats are fascinating creatures, yet they are frequently misunderstood and misrepresented in popular culture. Bats have long been associated with darkness, disease, and even supernatural beings. These associations have been perpetuated by myths and legends, often portraying bats as ominous creatures of the night. These negative perceptions have led to the persecution of bats in some cultures. Fear and misinformation have caused people to harm or destroy bat habitats, further endangering these important animals. However, it's essential to remember that bats are not inherently dangerous and pose little threat to humans. In reality, most bats are harmless and play crucial roles in our ecosystems. In fact, bats provide numerous benefits to humans. They are natural pest controllers, consuming vast quantities of insects that would otherwise damage crops and spread diseases. Their role in insect control saves us billions of dollars annually in crop losses and reduces the need for pesticides, which can have harmful effects on human health and the environment. This natural pest control is invaluable to farmers and gardeners alike. Bats also contribute to the pollination of crops and the production of goods like tequila. Many plants rely on bats for pollination, which helps maintain biodiversity and supports agricultural industries. Understanding the benefits bats provide can help shift our perspective from fear to appreciation. By learning more about these incredible creatures, we can foster a more harmonious relationship between bats and humans, ensuring their conservation for future generations. Section 9. The importance of bat conservation. Conserving bats is not just about protecting a single species. It's about safeguarding the health of entire ecosystems and their biodiversity. Bats are integral components of food webs, playing crucial roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control. Their decline has cascading effects on the environment, impacting plant diversity, insect populations, and even human agriculture. Protecting bats means protecting the delicate balance of nature and its intricate relationships. By conserving their habitats, mitigating threats from disease, and promoting responsible interactions with bats, we can ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 10. A future for bats. Our shared responsibility. The future of bats rests in our hands. As human activities continue to impact the planet, it's our responsibility to ensure the well-being of all creatures, including bats. By understanding the ecological and economic importance of bats, we can advocate for their protection and support conservation efforts. Educating ourselves and others about bats, dispelling myths, and promoting coexistence are crucial steps in securing a brighter future for these remarkable creatures. Let us embrace our role as stewards of the planet and work together to ensure that bats continue to grace our skies for generations to come. The natural world never ceases to amaze. Its beauty and complexity are a constant source of wonder and inspiration. In every corner, we find creatures uniquely equipped for survival. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Among them is a bird we often overlook, the sparrow. This small bird, often seen but rarely noticed, holds a special place in the ecosystem. Small and unassuming, the sparrow is a testament to nature's power of adaptation. Despite its modest appearance, the sparrow has remarkable survival skills. These feathered dynamos, with their stout bodies and powerful beaks, have conquered diverse environments, from bustling cities to serene countrysides. They are everywhere, yet we seldom appreciate their presence. They are a common sight, flitting between branches and hopping on sidewalks. Their cheerful chirps often go unnoticed in the background of our daily lives. Yet beneath their ordinary facade lies an extraordinary story of resilience. Sparrows are not just survivors, they are thrivers, constantly adapting to new challenges. Sparrows have learned to thrive alongside humans, adapting to our ever-changing world. They build nests in our buildings, find food in our waste, and live in our gardens. Their ability to find sustenance and security in the unlikeliest of places is a testament to their remarkable adaptability. They turn every challenge into an opportunity. This essay delves into the fascinating world of sparrows, unveiling the secrets behind their success. We will explore their behaviors, their habitats, and their interactions with the environment. Join me as we explore the remarkable world of these unassuming champions, revealing the big impact these small birds have on our planet. Their story is one of perseverance, adaptability, and quiet strength. Sparrows, members of the Passeridae family, are small, stocky birds recognized by their short tails and stubby, powerful beaks. These tiny birds are often overlooked due to their size, but they play a significant role in our ecosystem. These beaks, perfectly designed for crushing seeds, are a key to their survival. They can easily break through the tough outer shells of seeds, allowing them to access the nutritious insides. This ability is crucial, especially during the colder months when food is scarce. Their plumage varies across species, but most display shades of brown, gray, and white, providing excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. This coloration helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. One fascinating aspect of sparrows is their sexual dimorphism. This means that males and females have different physical characteristics, which can be quite striking. This means males and females exhibit different physical characteristics. For instance, males often have more vibrant plumage compared to females. Males often sport brighter colors, especially during breeding season, to attract mates. These bright colors are a signal of their health and vitality, making them more appealing to potential partners. Females, on the other hand, maintain a more subdued palette, ideal for blending into their surroundings while nesting. This camouflage is essential for protecting their eggs and chicks from predators. This difference in appearance is a clear indication of the different roles each sex plays in raising the next generation. While the male's bright colors help in attracting a mate, the female's duller colors are crucial for the safety of their offspring. It's a reminder of the intricate dance of life that plays out in the animal kingdom, even among the most common creatures. Sparrows, with their small size and big personalities, are a testament to the wonders of nature and the delicate balance that sustains life. Sparrows are true cosmopolitans of the avian world. They have successfully colonized every continent except Antarctica, adapting to a stunning array of habitats. From woodlands and grasslands to deserts and urban jungles, sparrows have carved their niche. The key to their global success lies in their adaptability. They are not bound by strict ecological requirements, making them incredibly versatile. This adaptability has allowed them to thrive in close proximity to humans, often benefiting from our activities. Their presence across such diverse environments is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They are a constant reminder that life finds a way, even in the most unexpected places. Sparrows are primarily seed eaters, their strong beaks expertly designed to crack open even the toughest shells. However, their diet is far from limited. They are opportunistic feeders, readily consuming insects, fruits, and even scraps of human food. This adaptability is particularly evident in urban environments. Sparrows have learned to thrive in our concrete jungles, capitalizing on the abundance of food sources we provide. From discarded crumbs to bird feeders, they have adapted their diet to include a smorgasbord of human-provided fare. This adaptability is a key factor in their success. It allows them to thrive in environments where other species might struggle, highlighting their remarkable ability to adapt and survive. Section 5. A symphony of chirps. Social behavior and communication. Sparrows are highly social creatures, often congregating in large, bustling flocks. These gatherings are not just random, they are a well-coordinated effort to enhance their survival and social bonds. These flocks provide safety in numbers, with many eyes on the lookout for predators. The collective vigilance of the group ensures that any threat is quickly detected and responded to. Their social interactions are a constant source of fascination, a whirlwind of chirps, twitters, and wing flutters. Each movement and sound plays a role in maintaining the harmony and structure of the flock. Communication is key to their social structure. Through a complex system of vocalizations and body language, sparrows convey messages that are crucial for their survival and social cohesion. Their vocalizations, while seemingly simple to our ears, convey a wealth of information. Each chirp can indicate anything from the presence of food to the approach of a predator. From warning calls to courtship serenades, each chirp and twitter serves a specific purpose. These sounds are essential for maintaining the social fabric of the flock. Observing a flock of sparrows is akin to witnessing a perfectly choreographed dance. Their movements are not random, but are a result of intricate social interactions and communication. Their movements, synchronized and purposeful, are a testament to the power of social cohesion in the animal kingdom. The unity and coordination within a flock of sparrows highlight the importance of social bonds and communication in their daily lives. Section 6. The Circle of Life. Reproduction and nesting. Sparrows are prolific breeders, with multiple broods raised each year. This rapid reproduction rate is essential to their survival strategy, compensating for high mortality rates, especially among young birds. They are cavity nesters, utilizing a variety of nooks and crannies for shelter. From tree hollows to building crevices, they exhibit remarkable resourcefulness in finding suitable nesting sites. Both parents share the responsibility of raising their young. From incubating eggs to feeding their chicks, their dedication ensures the survival of the next generation. Section 7. Unsung Heroes. Sparrows' role in the ecosystem. While often overlooked, sparrows play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As seed dispersers, they contribute to plant propagation, ensuring the continuation of various plant species. Their insectivorous habits also provide a valuable service. By consuming vast quantities of insects, they help regulate pest populations, benefiting both natural and agricultural environments. Their presence, while seemingly insignificant, has a ripple effect throughout the food web, impacting the health and stability of the entire ecosystem. Section 8. The Fight for Survival. Conservation Challenges. Despite their adaptability, sparrow populations face growing challenges. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural expansion is a significant threat. Pesticide use in agriculture also poses a danger, reducing their food sources and potentially leading to poisoning. Climate change further exacerbates these issues, disrupting their breeding cycles and impacting food availability. It is our responsibility to address these challenges and ensure the survival of these resilient birds. Section 9. The Future of Sparrows, a Shared Responsibility. The future of sparrows, like that of many species, is intertwined with our own. As stewards of the planet, we have a responsibility to mitigate the threats they face. Creating bird-friendly environments in our gardens and communities, reducing pesticide use, and supporting conservation efforts are all steps in the right direction. By understanding the plight of sparrows, we can make informed choices that benefit not only these adaptable birds, but the health of our planet as a whole. Section 10. Conclusion. A testament to resilience. The sparrow, a seemingly ordinary bird, embodies an extraordinary tale of resilience and adaptation. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments, from bustling cities to remote wilderness, is a testament to their remarkable adaptability. Their presence enriches our world, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their story is a call to action, urging us to protect not only these unassuming champions, but the delicate balance of our planet for generations to come. By appreciating the importance of even the smallest creatures, we take a step towards a future where both humanity and nature can thrive in harmony.
Sheep have been our companions for thousands of years. They were among the first animals to be domesticated. Their wool, meat, and milk provided sustenance and resources for early civilizations. From the rolling hills of Scotland to the arid plains of Australia, sheep have adapted to diverse environments. This adaptability has made them invaluable to humans across the globe. Sheep are more than just livestock. They are a testament to the enduring bond between humans and animals. Their story is woven into the fabric of our history, culture, and economies. In this essay, we will delve into the fascinating world of sheep, exploring their biology, behavior, and their profound impact on our world. The world of sheep is incredibly diverse. Over 200 distinct sheep breeds exist, each with unique characteristics. Some breeds are prized for their wool, like the Merino with its soft, fine fleece. Others, like the Suffolk, are known for their meat production. Sheep breeds vary significantly in size, color, and even temperament. Some have horns, while others are polled or hornless. This diversity is a testament to the power of selective breeding. Farmers have carefully chosen and bred sheep over generations to enhance specific traits. The result is a remarkable array of sheep breeds, each adapted to specific purposes and environments. Sheep are often perceived as simple, docile creatures. However, they possess a complex social structure and exhibit fascinating behaviors. Sheep are prey animals, and their survival depends on their ability to stick together. They form strong social bonds within their flock, often following a dominant ewe or female sheep. Communication is key to their survival. Sheep use a variety of vocalizations, including bleating, to communicate with each other. They can recognize individual flock members by their calls. Understanding sheep behavior is crucial for shepherds. By recognizing their natural instincts and social cues, shepherds can effectively manage their flocks and ensure their well-being. Sheep are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of plants. They are ruminants like cows, with a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plant material. Their grazing habits play a crucial role in maintaining healthy pastures. Sheep prefer to graze on grasses and legumes. They are selective grazers, often choosing the most nutritious parts of plants. Their grazing can actually benefit pastures by promoting plant diversity and controlling weed growth. However, overgrazing can have negative impacts, leading to soil erosion and degradation. Sustainable pasture management practices are crucial for balancing sheep grazing with environmental health. Section 5. From Fleece to Feast, Unveiling the Economic Value of Sheep. Sheep are a valuable agricultural commodity, providing a range of products that contribute significantly to the global economy. These gentle animals are not just a source of wool and meat, but they also play a crucial role in sustainable farming practices. Their wool, known for its warmth, durability, and versatility, is used in clothing, carpets, and other textiles. Wool is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice for consumers who are conscious about their environmental footprint. Sheep meat, known as mutton or lamb, is a staple food in many cultures. It is celebrated for its rich flavor and tenderness, making it a favorite in various culinary traditions around the world. It is a good source of protein and essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals that are vital for maintaining a healthy diet. Sheep milk, while not as widely consumed as cow's milk, is also gaining popularity. It is particularly valued for its high nutritional content and digestibility, making it an excellent alternative for those with cow milk allergies. It is rich in fat and protein and is used to produce specialty cheeses and yogurts. These dairy products are often considered gourmet items, appreciated for their unique flavors and textures. The economic importance of sheep extends beyond these primary products. They also contribute to the livelihood of many farmers and rural communities, supporting local economies and traditions. Their skin is used for leather, and their lanolin, a waxy substance secreted by their wool, is used in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Lanolin is prized for its moisturizing properties, making it a key ingredient in many skincare products. Section 6. The Circle of Life. Sheep, Breeding, and Lifespan. In this section, we delve into the fascinating journey of sheep from birth to maturity and beyond. Understanding the sheep's life cycle is essential for effective sheep farming. It helps farmers make informed decisions about breeding, health management, and overall flock productivity. Sheep typically live for 6 to 14 years, depending on breed and environmental factors. Factors such as diet, healthcare, and living conditions significantly influence their lifespan. Ewes reach sexual maturity around 6 to 8 months of age. This early maturity allows for efficient breeding cycles and helps maintain a steady flock size. The gestation period for sheep is approximately 5 months, after which ewes usually give birth to 1 to 3 lambs. Lambing season is a critical time for farmers, requiring close monitoring and care. Selective breeding plays a crucial role in improving sheep production. By choosing the best traits, farmers can enhance the quality and efficiency of their flocks. Farmers carefully select and breed sheep with desirable traits, such as high wool yield, meat quality, or disease resistance. This meticulous process ensures the sustainability and profitability of sheep farming. This process, practiced over generations, has led to the development of specialized sheep breeds optimized for specific purposes and environments. Each breed has unique characteristics that make them suitable for different farming conditions and market demands. Section 7. A sustainable shepherd balancing sheep farming and the environment. Sheep farming, like any agricultural practice, has environmental impacts. Overgrazing can lead to soil erosion, habitat loss, and reduced biodiversity. Sheep manure, while a valuable fertilizer, can also contribute to water pollution if not managed properly. However, sustainable sheep farming practices can mitigate these impacts. Rotational grazing, which involves moving sheep between different paddocks, can prevent overgrazing and promote pasture health. Proper manure management, such as composting, can reduce water pollution. Integrating trees into pastures can provide shade for sheep, sequester carbon, and enhance biodiversity. By adopting sustainable practices, sheep farmers can minimize their environmental footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Section 8. Wool, Meat, and More. The versatility of sheep products. The versatility of sheep products is truly remarkable. From the fields where they graze to the markets where their products are sold, sheep contribute significantly to various industries. Wool, the most well-known product, is a natural fiber prized for its unique properties. It has been used for centuries to create textiles that are both functional and beautiful. It is soft, warm, breathable, and naturally water-resistant. These characteristics make wool an excellent choice for outdoor clothing and gear, especially in cold and wet conditions. These qualities make wool an ideal material for a wide range of products, from clothing and blankets to carpets and insulation. Wool's durability and comfort are unmatched, making it a staple in many households. Sheep meat, enjoyed in various forms around the world, is a nutritious and flavorful source of protein. It is a key ingredient in many traditional dishes and is celebrated for its rich taste. Lamb, the meat of younger sheep, is known for its tender texture and delicate flavor. It is often featured in gourmet recipes and festive meals, adding a touch of elegance to any dining experience. Mutton, the meat of older sheep, has a richer, more intense flavor and is often used in stews and other hearty dishes. Its robust taste makes it a favorite in many cultures, especially in slow-cooked recipes. Sheep milk, though less common than cow's milk, is gaining popularity for its unique flavor and nutritional profile. It is becoming a sought-after alternative for those looking for different dairy options. It is naturally homogenized, meaning the cream does not separate, and it is rich in fat and protein. These qualities make it an excellent choice for making creamy and delicious dairy products. Sheep milk is used to produce specialty cheeses, yogurts, and ice cream. These products are cherished for their rich flavors and smooth textures, making them a gourmet delight for food enthusiasts. Section 9. Challenges and Opportunities. The future of sheep farming. Sheep farming, like all agricultural sectors, faces challenges and opportunities in the 21st century. Climate change, market fluctuations, and consumer demand for sustainable and ethical products are shaping the future of the industry. Climate change poses significant challenges with increasing temperatures, droughts, and extreme weather events impacting sheep production. Farmers are adapting by implementing drought-resistant breeds, improving water management, and adopting climate-smart grazing practices. Consumer demand for sustainable and ethical products is driving changes in the industry. Consumers are increasingly concerned about animal welfare, environmental impact, and the origin of their food and fiber. Section 10. Beyond the pasture, sheep in culture and history. Sheep have played a significant role in human culture and history for millennia. Their image is woven into mythology, religion, and folklore across the globe. In ancient Greece, the golden fleece was a symbol of authority and kingship. In Christianity, the lamb represents innocence and sacrifice. Sheep have also played a vital role in shaping economies and societies. The wool trade, for example, has been a major economic driver for centuries, connecting distant lands and cultures. The domestication of sheep marked a pivotal moment in human history, enabling the transition from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to a more settled agricultural way of life. Section 11. Conclusion. A toast to the unsung heroes. Sheep, often overlooked and underappreciated, are truly unsung heroes of agriculture. They provide us with essential products, from warm clothing and nutritious food to rich cultural traditions and a deep connection to our agricultural heritage. As we move forward, it is crucial to recognize the value of sheep and support sustainable sheep farming practices that benefit both people and the planet. By understanding and appreciating these remarkable creatures, we can ensure that sheep continue to graze our pastures and enrich our lives for generations to come.
Deer. The very word evokes images of serene woodlands and sun-dappled meadows. These graceful creatures, with their long, slender legs and expressive eyes, have captivated humans for centuries. They are a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. From the towering forests of North America to the windswept plains of Africa, deer have made their home in a dazzling array of ecosystems. Deer are more than just beautiful creatures. They are integral parts of the ecosystems they inhabit. They are prey animals, providing sustenance for predators, and their grazing habits help to shape the plant life around them. Their presence, or absence, can signal the health of an ecosystem. In this exploration, we will delve into the fascinating world of deer. We will uncover the secrets behind their agility, learn about their unique dietary needs, and discover the challenges they face in a changing world. Join me as we journey into the heart of the forest and meet these remarkable creatures face to face. Deer are masters of their environment, moving with a grace and agility that is captivating to witness. Their movements are almost poetic, a dance choreographed by nature itself. whether they are sprinting through the forest or leaping over fallen logs. Their agility is a testament to their evolutionary success. This athleticism is no accident. It is the result of a finely tuned physique honed by generations of evolution. Every muscle, every tendon, every bone in their bodies has been shaped by the demands of their environment. Their lean, muscular legs are not just for show. They are the engines that drive their incredible speed and agility. Their long, slender legs are perfectly designed for speed and agility, allowing them to dart through dense undergrowth and leap over obstacles with ease. These legs act like powerful springs, propelling them forward with each bound. The tendons and ligaments in their legs store and release energy efficiently, making their movements both swift and economical. Their hooves, split into 2 toes, provide excellent traction on uneven terrain, giving them sure footing even in the most challenging environments. These specialized hooves act like natural cleats, gripping the ground firmly and allowing them to navigate rocky hillsides, slippery slopes, and dense underbrush with remarkable ease. Their keen senses are also crucial to their survival. In the wild, being aware of one's surroundings can mean the difference between life and death. Deer have evolved to be hyper-aware, constantly scanning their environment for any signs of danger. Their large, expressive eyes, positioned on the sides of their heads, grant them a wide field of vision, allowing them to detect predators approaching from almost any angle. This panoramic vision is a vital adaptation, enabling them to spot threats from nearly 360 degrees around them. Their acute hearing, evidenced by their large mobile ears, further enhances their awareness of their surroundings. These ears can rotate independently, capturing sounds from multiple directions and helping them pinpoint the exact location of a potential threat. Perhaps the most striking feature of many deer species is their antlers. These impressive structures are not just for show. They play a crucial role in the social dynamics of deer populations. These bony structures, grown and shed annually by males, are not just ornamental. They are used in displays of dominance and in battles for territory and mates. During the mating season, bucks will lock antlers in fierce battles, each vying for the right to mate with the females. The size and complexity of a buck's antlers can be an indicator of his age, health, and social standing. Larger, more intricate antlers often signify a mature, healthy buck, one that has successfully navigated the challenges of the wild. Deer are a symphony of strength, agility, and sensory perception, perfectly adapted to thrive in the wild. Their every movement, every glance, every twitch of an ear is a testament to the intricate balance of nature. They are not just survivors, they are masters of their domain, embodying the very essence of agility and grace. Deer are strict herbivores, meaning they exclusively consume plant material. This dietary choice is not just a preference, but a necessity for their survival. Their diet consists entirely of plant matter, which includes a wide variety of leaves, grasses, and other vegetation found in their natural habitats. Their digestive systems are specifically adapted to break down the tough, fibrous material found in plants, extracting the maximum amount of nutrients from their food. This process involves a complex stomach structure that allows them to efficiently digest cellulose. Their diet varies depending on the season and the availability of food sources. This seasonal variation ensures that they get a balanced intake of nutrients throughout the year. In the spring and summer, when vegetation is abundant, they feast on leaves, which are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, grasses, which provide them with necessary fibers, and herbs, which add variety and additional nutrients to their diet. As autumn approaches, they supplement their diet with nuts, which are high in fats and proteins, fruits, which offer sugars and vitamins, and acorns, which are a good source of energy. These foods help them build up fat reserves for the lean winter months. Building up these fat reserves is crucial for their survival during winter when food is scarce. During winter, when fresh vegetation is scarce, deer rely on their fat reserves and browse on twigs, bark, and any remaining green plants they can find. This ability to adapt their diet to the changing seasons is a key factor in their survival. They are often seen foraging in the snow, searching for any green plants that might still be available. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate these hidden food sources. Their digestive system slows down during this time, allowing them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their limited food supply. This slower metabolism helps them conserve energy. Their role as herbivores makes deer essential members of their ecosystems. They interact with other forest animals, contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats. Their grazing habits help to control plant growth, preventing any one species from dominating the landscape. This promotes a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, fertilize the soil, promoting the growth of new plants. This natural fertilization process supports the regeneration of vegetation, ensuring a continuous supply of food for themselves and other herbivores in the ecosystem. Section 4. A world of habitats, where deer roam. Deer are incredibly adaptable creatures found in a wide range of habitats across the globe. These graceful animals have evolved to survive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. From the frozen tundra of the Arctic, where reindeer, also known as caribou, roam the icy expanses, to the sweltering deserts of Africa, where antelope, close relatives of deer, navigate the harsh, arid landscapes. They have carved out a niche for themselves in almost every corner of the world. Their ability to adapt to such varied environments is truly remarkable. In North America, the iconic white-tailed deer thrives in deciduous forests, where they find ample food and cover. Meanwhile, the larger moose prefers the cooler climate of boreal forests and wetlands, where they can often be seen wading through marshes in search of aquatic plants. In Europe, the fallow deer, with its distinctive spotted coat, is found in woodlands and parklands. These deer are often seen grazing in open fields or taking shelter under the canopy of trees. The majestic red deer roams the rugged terrain of the Scottish Highlands, where their impressive antlers and powerful build make them a symbol of strength and endurance. In Asia, the sambar deer inhabits the dense tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. These large deer are well adapted to the humid, lush environment, where they feed on a variety of vegetation. The elusive musk deer, on the other hand, prefers the high-altitude forests of the Himalayas. Known for their musk glands, these deer are often found in steep, rocky terrain. In Africa, various species of gazelle and antelope, which are close relatives of deer, graze on the vast savannas and grasslands. These open landscapes provide them with the space they need to run and evade predators. Deer have even managed to colonize areas outside their natural range. In places like Australia and New Zealand, introduced populations have thrived, adapting to new environments and becoming part of the local ecosystem. These introduced populations often face different challenges, but their ability to adapt and survive is a testament to their resilience. This adaptability is a testament to their resilience and their ability to thrive in diverse environments. Whether in the icy tundra, arid deserts, dense forests, or open grasslands, deer continue to be a symbol of nature's incredible adaptability and the enduring spirit of wildlife. Section 5. Living together, social structures and behaviors. While often perceived as solitary creatures, deer are actually highly social animals, living in herds that can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds strong. These herds, typically composed of females and their young, offer protection from predators and increase foraging efficiency. Within these herds, a clear social hierarchy exists, with dominant females leading the group and guiding their movements. These matriarchal societies ensure the survival of the herd, with experienced females passing down their knowledge of food sources, migration routes, and predator avoidance to younger generations. Males, for the most part, live solitary lives or form bachelor groups outside the female herds. They only interact with females during the breeding season, when they compete fiercely for the right to mate. Communication within deer herds is a complex interplay of vocalizations, scent marking, and body language. They use a variety of calls, from soft grunts to loud snorts, to communicate with each other, signaling alarm, distress, or simply their location.